petition, land counsel for the petitioner is not keeping well, is not well. Come,
I'm
Mr.
A.
Soetso,
Sharma, Lord,
land counsel.
on behalf of B. Hussain.
S. Land counsel appearing on his behalf responded. Listing of
petitioner,
the
Lord.
matter after 3 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. Kindly
2 weeks, huh?
2 weeks. Obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 62, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, today morning I have filed a affidavit of opposition, Lordship. That may be called for, Lordship.
62.
Supplementary list.
In IA.
I have additional affidavit
All
filed. No.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. In this case, I am on behalf of Mr. N. Upadhyay, SC Irrigation, Lordship. Our affidavit in opposition is ready, Lordship.
No, they
Matter
have
may be-
taken long time, Lordship. 2 years they have taken to file their affidavit in opposition.
Hmm.
4 weeks time were granted to them, till date they have not filed.
Matter may
And
be
in one affidavit, Lordship will be surprised, one affidavit has been filed by them. There they are saying that it is upon the honorable court to consider, because it is only a matter of curtailment of 2 increment, Lordship.
Hmm.
My suspension was interfered with, it was dropped. Then they have imposed
So what do you want to file?
On Friday may be fixed matter, Lordship.
that may be the last.
Today or
Lordship.
tomorrow we are going to file, Lordship.
What? You have already
Affidavit in
filed the
opposition.
affidavit.
Affidavit in, fresh affidavit in opposition, Lordship. We have received in detail Karawai's comment in connection of this.
Mr. On the prayer, Mr.
ABT Hawk on behalf of N. Upadhyay, Lord.
Then it is standing council for, standing irrigation department.
Irrigation.
This should be the
Which
last.
time is
Lordship.
granted
Friday
to
may
file
be fixed.
affidavit. As agreed to by land council for the list this matter after a week.
Let a date be fixed, Lordship.
Date may be-
What
Monday,
increments?
because Lordship, this is.
You are
this
in the
matter-
job.
Lordship,
Are you still in the job?
I am in the job, but my difficulty, Lordship can understand.
And next week we'll take it, after a week.
May I please, your Lordship?
Hmm.
I'd like to mention item number 6, Lordship.
Hmm.
I pray for 2 weeks time to file our affidavit in reply, Lordship.
On the prayer, Mr.
A. Borua,
A. Borua, learned counsel, list this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
Master.
Hey, please, your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship.
Mine. Yes,
Senior council, leading councils are out of station, Lordship.
this is with the
Item number
Eight.
8, Lordship.
89.
Lordship. Next Monday, Lordship. Is available in the next Monday, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
S.I. Talukdar.
S.I. Taruk, learned counsel for the petitioner.
8
List
and 9.
this matter
8 and 9.
after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
I love you, Lordship.
Yes, will you allow? Will you allow? What is this?
Respondent
Any
number one-
objection?
Respondent number 1 and 2 is impleted by
Not impleted, seeking implement.
completed respondent.
Yet to be impleted. So do you have any objection? Are you for 1 and 2?
No objection.
You are for 1 and 2?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the applicant petitioner. And Miss MS so-and-so learned counsel for opposite party number 1 and 2. You are for 1 and 2, BTC,
Yes, Lord.
standing council. Standing council, BTC,
Lordship, I'm M. Das
as
appearing on
well as
behalf of
and that so-and-so, so-and-so have.
for respondent number 4.
The applicant petitioner has filed this application praying for implement of opposite party, namely the BTC and the Secretary of Education Department, BTC. Mr. Next para. The applicant has filed a writ petition, a connected writ petition being WPC 1292 of 2023. Challenging the deduction of pensionary benefits. Yes. From the pension benefits list of the applicant was working as associate professor in Boro MIL department, who has taken voluntary retirement under BRS scheme after serving 27 years in the college. Stuff. It is the contention of the applicants that while filing the said connected writ petition, the opposite parties have not been added as party respondents inadvertently. Therefore, praise that since the applicant was working under the opposite party and the order passed and the action impugned is by the said authorities. The opposite parties may be included as respondent number.
As respondent number 7 and 8.
7 and 8 in the connected writ petition.
1 into 2.
The learned counsel representing the opposite parties as well as other respondents clearly submits that would not have any objection as the opposite parties which are sought to be implemented are a necessary part. Next paragraph. Having considered that the opposite parties, the petitioner has challenged the action of the opposite parties and also the opposite party in deducting the pensionary benefits on being by way of recovery on being as an excess payment. Is it the opposite parties having considered? And considering that the applicant was working under the said opposite parties, I deem it appropriate to allow this application accordingly. The respondents, the opposite parties, namely, you just said, oral and so and so, territorial and so and so, are allowed to be included as respondent numbers 7 and 8. The writ petition, the interpretive application stands allowed and disposed of.
Right.
In main case, we'll have to write, in main case, right? In view of the order passed in the ISO and so and so, the petitioner is directed to file amended course title. On receipt of the amended course title, the registry to incorporate the name of the newly included respondent 7 and 8.
I'm for respondent 4.
Huh?
I'm for respondent 4.
Yes.
Respondent 4.
SK Medi.
Yes. Respondent. Hello.
My lord,
Yes.
your lordship will go to the order dated 29/8/25, my lord.
Yes.
Now, 2 months have already
This is the
expired.
latest instructions,
Saying what?
saying that the financial sanctions are yet to be given by the government and we are waiting for that, Your Lordship. The
How
moment
long?
it- Lordship, because within this financial year, it needs to be cleared. So hopefully by January, we'll be clearing the amount.
My lord.
We are waiting for the government. Otherwise, part payment has been made, Your Lordship.
Hey, my lord, in that case, this matter may kindly be disposed of with the direction to make the payment by 31st January, ma'am.
How many years you have waited? 31st January.
Yes,
Are you sure?
Lordship, in that case, let the matter be pending and.
See, last order say,
Yes, Your Lordship.
clearly say that you'll be paid within the period of 2 months.
Lordship.
that expired in the month of October.
Otherwise, financial sanctions has been sent and we are waiting for the government to release the amount, Your Lordship.
Let us see. We'll say that we expect that the authorities shall expedite and will list after a month. You are saying within.
Within, Your Lordship.
So after we'll list it after a month.
Yes.
Heard Mr. O.P. Bhatti, learned counsel for the petitioner. Although the Mr. G. Bordoloi,
Lordship.
learned standing counsel for Corporation Department on 29/08/2025 has submitted that steps have been taken for payment of the amount of BRS due to the petitioner. And the same shall be paid within a period of 2 months. Come on. The learned standing council today submits that they are waiting for the department, the authorities are waiting for the financial sanction. And again submitted that as in when the financial sanction is received, same shall be paid to the petitioner. The amount, BRS amount shall be paid to the petitioner. For that, he further submits that the authorities are expecting that by 31st January 2016, 2026, the amount of BRS amount entitled to petitioners shall be paid. Next paragraph, considering above, this matter be listed after a month, it is expected that the responding authorities would expedite the matter. Would have waiting, expedite the matter as soon as far as possible.
My lord, a particular date may kindly. A particular date may kindly be fixed up.
After a month, after a month. We're expecting that within a month you will pay.
We'll try our best, Your Lordship. All right.
Hey, please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, petitioner applied for the post of rifleman in the year 2001.
Correction of date of
Yes.
appointment.
Yes, my
How
lord.
do we appoint? How do you correct it?
My lord, I have passed all the requirement.
It's
tests, my
okay.
lord.
Thereafter, you have been out of the job.
Yes, my lord.
Then
But-
you are reinstated.
Yes, my lord, but that is
On
not,
what basis you are saying that?
my lord, that is not my fault, my lord. They have without,
No, what is the basis of recording your date of appointment as 25/06/2015? What is the basis?
my
What is
lord,
their stand?
they have said that we are not, my lord, finally appointed. But after passing all the tests, my lord, required medical examination, physical, written, and even, my lord, we were sent for training.
Hmm.
At the last moment, my lord, whimsically, suddenly we are again, my lord, medically examined and said that you are unfit, and accordingly we are discharged, my lord.
Hmm.
And my lord, similarly situated person approached this honorable court, my lord. Kindly see Annexure 2, my lord. Page, it starts from page 20 to 35.
22?
35, my lord, an honorable court, my lord, allowed the writ petition, my lord, to frame a fresh review medical board, my lord.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, what happened? They have made fresh review medical board, my lord. We were selected, but we were found fit, my lord. But again, we were rejected, saying that you are overage.
Yes.
Then, my lord, we again approached this honorable court, my lord. An honorable court, my lord, allowed our writ petition. You give appointment, the overage will not come in this because this is not our fault, my lord. That's why, my lord, we are given appointment.
Were you
And
appointment when?
initially 2001, my lord,
No, no, after the
After-
court, when you were appointed.
2015, my lord. And my lord, similarly situated person, kindly see, my lord, I have annexed the judgment, my lord, exactly similar, my lord. They are given the benefit of 2001, my lord. And my lord, kindly see my affidavit in reply, my lord. Last year's judgment, my lord, I have annexed Annexure 1, my lord. In my affidavit in reply, my lord, Annexure 1, page 172. It starts from page 172, my lord. Here also, my lord, his case is allowed, my lord. This is also similar person. This honorable court, my lord, may I read this judgment?
The review petition or what? No.
This is writ petition, my lord. Similarly situated person, this was allowed, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, page 177. Para 15, my lord.
On the aforesaid function, this court is applicable that the two.
On the aforesaid facts and circumstances, this court is of considered opinion the claim of the petitioner to hold their appointment from the year 2001 appears to be justified, as the so-called break in service is not attributable to any fault of the petitioner, and in fact the impugned decision of the authorities firstly to discharge them on the ground of being medically unfit, and secondly to decline the appointment on the ground of being overage, have been consistently interfered by this court, further granting the benefit to a similarly situated incumbent, Santlal, for which no explanation has been put forward. The said case is distinguishable, would be an additional ground in favor of the petitioner. This court is of the opinion that the claim of the petitioners are liable to be allowed. This court is, however, of the opinion that such claim would only be confined to the notional benefit, including the fitment, and also to treat the petitioners to be in appointment from the year 2001 in the context of their pensionary
So
benefit.
this judgment is also with regard to same recruitment process.
Same, my lord, exactly. Date of appointment is also same, my lord. And this person is also in the similar basis petition, which I have annexed Annexure 2 in the writ petition. And secondly, my lord, kindly see next Annexure, Annexure 3. Answer 2, page 179, my lord. This person, this Santlal, which was referred in this judgment, Annexure 1, my lord. This person is also, he was given even, my lord, areas also from 2001, and he was placed old pension scheme. This person is also in the same batch of writ petition, my lord. And court has in 2 times, my lord, in writ petition and writ appeal, court has held that it is not on the fault of the petitioner because they have passed all the qualified tests and they are given force number, they were enrolled. In between, my lord, at the about that they are finishing their training, they are suddenly, whimsically, mechanically, my lord, without any notice, without any, my lord. Even in second time, my lord, when they were re-medical board was established, my lord, then also they were found fit in regard to that incapacity, my lord. So my humble submission, my lord, this order may be, my lord, similar with this writ petition, my lord. Sandeep Kumar, Annexure 1, in my affidavit in reply, my lord. Because exactly they have, all together they approach this honorable court, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
In the other case, lordship, they approach in the year 2018. He was a fence seeker. He is approaching in the year 2022.
What about given in the, giving me fresh appointment in the year 2015, ought to have protested then itself, Lordship. The other day approached in the year 2018.
The last writ petition filed by, when you filed the last writ petition? This is the first writ
Yes.
petition.
This 2022.
No, before this.
Earlier order passed in the year 2014, asking
Ah.
us to take a fresh decision.
14.
Thereafter, 2015, he is given a fresh appointment.
But we did not have the knowledge that they have recorded our judgment at date of appointment wrongly. How can we know, my lord, that service
No,
record?
let us see your appointment,
My
press
lord.
appointment. You have the
Page-
press appointment,
Page 48, Lordship.
48.
This is all after High Court's order only, my lord. Otherwise, they would not have given my lord as appointment. Twenty-eight, my lord, page 28, page 50.
Huh?
Page 50, page 28, and it is my lord type copy, page 48.
What is the division bench? This is as per the order of this court.
Yes, my lord. My lord, page, it starts from page 40 and relevant page 47 of my writ petition. Page 47, my lord. The question of overage will not come into the factual matrix of these cases. At the time of their enrollment in the year 2001, the petitioners' appellants were very much in the age group as prescribed for the appointment in Assam Rifle. In the result, if petition as well as appeals are allowed, impugn order of learned single judge dated so-and-so, issued by the Deputy Commandant Sub Officer are set aside. Respondents are directed to call the petitioners within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order for undergoing basic training. Petitioners may obtain certified copy of this petition. Appeal stands disposed of. And in my para 18 of my writ petition, my lord, kindly see, I have come to know, my lord, in the year 2021, whenever they have published the list, my lord, of old pension scheme, where my name was not there, then only I came to know immediately in 2022, I came, my lord. So there is no delay, my lord, and I'm in service, my lord. My lord, and this,
Page 51.
yes, my lord. And
Page
my lord,
51.
yes. Similarly situated person, even they have given, my lord, area also, 13 lakhs, something like that, my lord. And this fact is reflected in Annexure 1 of my affidavit in reply, this judgment. Second Santlal is reflected in this Annexure 1, my lord, 2024 judgment. And all these are in writ petition in this batch of writ petitions and writ appeal. So how can they unequally treat, my lord? Violation of Rule 14 of Constitution, my lord.
Yes, your decision came in the 2021.
No, but he was appointed in the year 2015 itself, Lordship. And the other person approached in the year 2018.
But similarly situated persons, we can.
But he was a fence sitter, he was waiting for outcome. He ought to have
No, my lord,
approached.
I come to know in 2021, immediately I came. And this, my lord,
And
this
as
this
per
Sandeep Kumar Annexure 1
As
of
per Rule
my
14,
affidavit.
any person appointed to the force is to be in probation for a period of 2 years.
Hmm.
Initially, the training was not completed. Within 1 year, he was declared unfit and terminated.
My lord, that was illegally done. It is reflected in the writ. That's why honorable court in that's of writ petition, writ appeal everywhere allowed, even in this Annexure 1 of affidavit in reply, my lord. This is clearly stated, my lord. May I go through the whole judgment, my lord? Here is, everything is clearly written, my lord.
No, it's same, the issue is delay. What he's saying is you are a fan sitter.
My lord, in 2021, they
You
have
have
not
accepted the
included.
appointment in 2015 and you slept over, you have the,
I came to in my writ
you
petition.
have
categor-
accepted his.
My lord, I have categorically stated that in
The
2021,
appointment process was initiated in 2001,
yes,
right? There was no appointment as such.
yes,
There was a litigation in between. You were
Yes.
discharged.
yes,
Now, as per the direction of the court's order,
yes,
you were directed to, you have been appointed
yes,
finally.
yes.
So the moment it was appointed, you could have raised that it should be from the date of your initial registration or the initial, recruitment.
That's why, my lord, I am saying that in para 18 of my writ petition, I have said
Hmm.
that I have come to know 2021, my lord, that my date of appointment is accorded as 2015, my lord. I am not
Obviously,
aware, my
your
lord.
appointment is the 2015 only.
That is, my lord, as because of High Court's order only we are appointed. Otherwise, we were already, my lord, thrown away.
See, when you were appointed, when you were in the job, why you have to wait for them to show your date of appointment? You must know from which date you are in the job. Since you have accepted in 2015,
No, my lord, I have given categorical statement that as soon as we came to know, immediately I came, my lord. I am only, my lord.
you were appointed in 2015. You worked for so many years,
Yes, my lord.
5 years, 6 years.
No, my lord, date of record, my lord, they have not shown me, my lord. I have given, my lord.
See, it is understood once you are appointed, you have accepted the appointment, you are supposed to know from which date you are in the job, which date you have been appointed.
That's why, my lord, I have come. I have given statement, my lord. Kindly see, may I read para 18 of my writ petition, my lord. Petitioner beg to state that they were shocked and surprised to see the respondent authoritative had impugned order dated 13 January 2020 sanctioned to extend the coverage under CCS Pension Rule 1970 instead of National Pension Scheme only to 1064 personnel published a list to such effect. The respondent had impugned order dated directed the necessary so petitioner further said the respondent authority had order dated impugned order dated 13 January 2021 excluded the name of the petitioner from the benefit of old pension scheme. This list they have got, my lord. Petitioner has got, my lord. That's why, my lord, he came. I am, my lord, simply praying a similar judgment of this Annexure 1 of affidavit in reply, my lord.
No, what Sandeep Kumar?
Yes.
What he's saying that this Sandeep Kumar and others, they have approached in time. You are a fence sitter.
My lord, Sandeep Kumar and my lord, my list was I got in
It has
2021.
attained, yes, Mr. This
Lordship.
has attained finality, Sandeep Kumar.
Lordship.
Then,
Lordship, that's appointment letter, in the appointment letter, page 50, clearly stated you are provisionally selected an appointment. That was given to him.
no, similarly situated persons, exactly similar recruitment, similar charge, discharge,
Even
similar litigation.
Date of
The relief
appointment.
can be denied who are on a fence seater, Lordship.
That is your only ground. Otherwise, you don't have, you don't dispute with this similarity with the Sandeep Kumar
That-
and Santlal.
That, they're disposed by a common order.
Common
Yeah,
order.
yes, a common.
So,
But Lordship, in any
record
case,
your submission.
any
but then
case,
since
Lordship,
this court has
if your
already,
Lordship allows, the back wages should not be, Lordship.
Ah.
Only the notional benefits that can.
now whatever is there in the earlier judgment,
My lord,
is Sandeep Kumar and others, similar.
similar. And he,
Lordship may not put, I admit,
Huh?
acknowledge this. Lordship may not put that I have acknowledged this, Lordship.
No, what is the, finally, what is the order in the
Recording my submission, Lordship, the
Sandeep Kumar is what? What does it say?
178. The court is favor of the opinion that such claim would only be.
And the
pursuant to
personal benefit
notional-
including fitment and also treat the prisoner to be in appointment from
In the
in the
context
context
of
of the
pensionary
prisoner.
benefit.
The claim for backwages from the year to however cannot be considered in terms of the principle. Yes,
No,
this has been provided,
yes, sir.
only notional benefits,
Lordship.
In regard to.
no
pension-
back wages.
No.
No, on the basis of principle of no work, no pay. Allowed, disposed of.
I live-
Record your submission, Pensita.
Diplio.
Disposed of. Huh?
All right, in this case, I am appearing for accountant general, my lord.
Hmm.
We have received the pension paper, my lord,
Ah,
hotel, my lord. So,
Ah.
my lord, 2 weeks time we will get it to finalize, my lord.
finalized.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Heard MS Swenson, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S.K. Bedi, learned standing counsel, accountant general, Assam.
Respondent of 7, my lord.
Respondent number 7, that's okay, accountant general, Assam. Respondent number 7. Submits that. What is,
My lord, this.
to complete the process,
Yes,
huh?
yes, my lord.
Submits that necessary documents have already been received by the authorities. And therefore, press for 2 weeks time to complete the process.
Submit, sorry. Huh?
Considering above,
Submit.
let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
24th or 25th.
Once you clear,
Yes, my lord, we will complete, my lord, because
24th.
24th, my lord.
24th, okay.
Okay, Lordship, I am for for 2 and 4.
record.
This matter, my lord, in last occasion also, the respondents are directed to file affidavit, but till date they have not filed. Case is that, my lord, petitioner was working as LP school teacher. She was terminated in the year 2006. Thereafter, she approached before this honorable court.
Hmm.
This honorable court, by order dated 23/4/15,
Hmm.
Lordship will find page 40, the order of this honorable court allowed the writ petition by setting aside the termination order. And thereafter, she filed application and order of this court before the authority for her reinstatement. But that was not, she was not allowed to join. And thereafter contempt was filed. And contempt was also closed with the assurance that she will be allowed to join. And thereafter, the time has elapsed. And by way of this petition, she again before this honorable court for a direction to allow the petitioner to join in pursuance of the order of this honorable court. So Lordship may kindly peruse page 41. Relevant portion Lordship will find page 42. Para 3. There is a specific direction and the impugn order dated page 43, 26/12/26 passed by the Director of Elementary Education Assam, Kaili Baragwati stands quashed and consequential steps in favor of the petitioners following the setting aside and quashing of the order dated so and so as directed above shall forthwith be taken by the responding authorities to implement the order, my lord. But no steps has been taken. Petitioner is running from pillar to post, and till date, the director of elementary education Assam has not filed any
My
affidavit.
lord, there is some miscommunication, my lord, because in our affidavit, we have the copy of the affidavit, my lord, but in the court file also, my lord, it is not there, my lord. My lord may take up this matter on my lord Friday, my lord.
No copy has been served. What?
Photocopy to নাই,
PTC নেকি?
elementary education.
Elementary. I have not received any copy.
তাতো নাই, আমার কিবা খেলিমেলি আছে। Some miscommunication is there, my lord, on
You have filed?
my lord.
Have you
In our-
filed?
That has to be verified, my lord.
No, no, it's not filed.
My lord,
Its office note says that no affidavit has been received.
in our file, my lord, we have, my lord, that's why, my lord.
No, last occasion on 13/6, you have submitted that the affidavit opposition has been prepared and sent for betting. That's why you were granted 2 weeks time. You have not filed as yet.
My lord, perhaps, my
No,
lord.
no, I have not received any copy, my lord.
No,
Well,
no, it's clearly shows that they have not filed. They have not filed the affidavit as yet.
So here only case is that, my lord, now the question was whether BTC will allow me to join.
Hmm.
BTC is saying that in the meantime, I have been transferred from BTC to the Assam. So director of Assam Guwahati is now to allow me to join in my earlier school at Nolbari. So only on this point is to be decided whether the BTC or because termination was made by the director of elementary school Assam Kahilipara, Guwahati. So now he is to allow me to join.
When you were terminated?
Terminated 2006, my lord.
12/6,
To 26/12/2006.
2006.
6.
Then thereafter,
Thereafter, in
you filed a writ petition.
writ petition, my
That
lord,
was set aside,
set aside,
directed to
directed to allow me to join.
consequential.
Consequential steps should be
Till,
taken.
till that you have not been allowed.
No, not allowed, my lord. This is the case, my lord.
You are a teacher.
Teacher, my lord. Now I am
Since 2006, you are not in the job.
not in the job, my lord. Now I am going to the age of 52 years.
Huh?
52 years I have attained the age of. So this way, my lord, they are dealing the matter. And from 2003 till date, they have not filed any.
19 years.
Yes, my lord.
The petition was filed in the year 2023, my lord. My
This
lord,
is
may
the-
take it on
this is the
Friday, my
second
lord.
writ petition.
Well, as per my instruction, my lord, he was appointed as a my lord, temporary teacher, my lord. And he was issued so cause notice and thereafter he was terminated from service.
The other issue would be,
Yes, my lord. They should
since you have filed a contempt petition that has been closed,
close, my lord.
having
So,
been,
but,
having been in view of the operation of the law.
Operation of the law, my lord.
So can you file a writ petition again?
So, my lord, your lordship may kindly,
It wants your proceedings, I mean, any application is
yes, my lord.
not
They are the
maintainable or been disposed of.
maintainable.
In
Because
a-
the page 50, your
in
lordship
view
will
of
find. Page 50,
In
your
view of
lordship.
the operation of the law, can you file a second writ petition?
There is no bar, my lord. Your lordship may file, see page 50.
Why you are easily saying that there is no bar? There would be a bar, there may be a bar.
Because it is against the.
Factually, we're agree with you, but technically and legally, this question will arise.
But this has been clarified by order dated 10/4/23 by this honorable court.
Where it
Lordship
is.
will find page 50
And
in the contempt petition. Second contempt petition, page 50.
50.
Yes, my lord. And page 54 is the relevant portion, your lordship will find that on limitation ground, the contempt was closed.
54.
Page 54.
Hmm.
The petitioner was granted liberty by order dated so and so passed by this court. It is hoped that the petitioner may be advised to approach the appropriate court for agitative grievance. So, my lord, since the contempt was closed due to on limitation ground. This is the second contempt.
Granted liberty by order to pass in contempt shall.
I have no any other alternative remedy except
that
filing a
petitioner may.
writ petition for implementation of the order. Otherwise, that will be a paper judgment and order, my lord.
If your lordship peruse page 47, my lord, they have not filed representation before the BTC authority, my lord. It starts from page 46, my lord, last para, my lord.
The BTC has filed affidavit and accepted that. they have
Director of
filed-
Education BTC has filed, in the first contempt, my lord, the Director of Education BTC has filed affidavit in operation wherein in para number 7,
Page.
page 46, my lord.
Yeah.
46, last para, my lord.
46.
46, last para, that the Director of Education BTC, my lord, has filed an affidavit in opposition wherein in
That is
para number
contempt
7,
order.
a stand has been taken that that the authority in BTC had not received any representation from the petitioner for carrying out of the needful as per the order dated 23/4/2005 in WPC number so and so, my lord. They have not, without filing the representation, my lord, they have approached this honorable court by filing contempt, my lord.
Thereafter, page 48, my lord. In 19, page 48. So after closing that, they have filed in 2019 to the BTC, Director BTC for compliance. And that was not compliant, thereafter second contempt. And second contempt, or unfortunately, was barred by limitation. And that's why the direction that consequential relief or any grievance before the appropriate court.
Let's see. Prime facie view that this, the procedural, I mean, the technical thing has to be, you have to overcome this technicalities which I've indicated.
So, my lord, in case of second writ petition regarding the implementation order of the earlier
You
writ
cannot
petition.
file a writ petition for implementation of the order of the writ court.
So now my prayer is that, my lord, I may be allowed to join. I have submitted the joining report. I
I
have,
where we may, there may not be quarrel with your on merit. What I'm indicating is so far is the procedural part and legality of your second, this writ petition.
yes, my lord. But my,
Maintainability of the writ petition.
my prayer may be seen, my lord, present writ petition. My prayer is that not to,
We'll see. Let them file the affidavit.
yes, my lord, let them file.
Heard, Mr. Esnar.
Yes, my lord.
On the prayer of
As Sutia, my lord.
S. Chutia and Mr.
Nikedas.
Line Standing Council,
Elementary education.
Elementary Education
PTC.
Department and
Exponent number 8.
so and so on. Further, 2 weeks. Is granted for filing affidavit in opposition. You file within 2 weeks.
My lord, my lord.
My lord, a date may be fixed, otherwise, my lord, it is very difficult to get the case.
After 2
Mr.
weeks. You are 52 now.
Yes, my lord.
How many years to go?
8 years only, my lord.
If you would
Apply.
survive nearly 20 years, why didn't you try for some other job? Why you have wasted your time?
No, my lord, with the hope that since I have been reinstated, the
Yeah,
court,
but-
court order should be honored, my lord. That's why.
Wasted your real youthful and energy.
Obliged.
Could have tried for some other job.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, is presently holding the post of Havildar in Assam Rifle. His next promotion post is, my lord, warrant officer.
Yes.
He is eligible for that, my lord, because he is senior, he has passed all the tests, and my lord, he is medically safe one. In spite of that, my lord, he was not given promotion, his junior was given.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, he filed representation and legal notice before the authority, and authority has given him promotion, my lord, but from the year 2022, February 2022. But I may be given promotion from the April 2019, the date on which my junior was given. And because, my lord, they have said that because of ACR, you are not given. But that SCR was not communicated to me, my lord. That is my case, simple case. And in their affidavit in opposition, they have clearly stated, my lord, again and again, it was not communicated to me.
Yes.
So, my lord, I have annexed one judgment, my lord, and I have many other judgment and one my lord own judgment. Only my lord dispose of to give me a opportunity.
As per the rules, my lord, criteria, last 5 years has to be considered. So in the, from the
The
year.
problem is it has to be communicated if there is adverse remarks, not even adverse.
Yes.
But that remark was not adverse. That is why it was not communicated.
Not necessary. Your non-consideration of his case is not on the basis of, it is basis on the basis of on the basis of ACR, whatever remarks,
My lord, yes,
whether adverse or not adverse.
that we have clearly stated in our affidavit, my lord, page
Ah.
43, running page.
It was not communicated.
Not communicated.
And
Only for the reason that it.
non-consideration was due to the ACR,
Yes,
which was not communicated.
yes.
Allowed.
My lord, may I submit this? And one, I have already annexed in my petition.
Heard MS,
Yes, Bora.
as for learned counsel for the petitioner. As well, and also heard Mr. G. Pegu, learned standing counsel or CGC.
CGC.
Learned CGC for respondent. By filing this writ petition. The writ petition has challenged the non-consideration for promotion to the non-consideration for promotion. While promoting his junior to the rank of warrant officer oblique GD, a general duty within bracket GD, huh? Stop. The petitioner was enrolled in the Assam Rifle on 17/02/1991 as rifleman oblique GD general duty. Mr. After completion of his military basic training, the petitioner was posted from place to place, posted to various places of posting. It is the contention of the petitioner that he is qualified in all, qualified to be considered for next higher rank oblique post of warrant officer within the country. Mr. Even no, please. No. Although the petitioner having been qualified and eligible to be considered for promotion, in the year 2019, the respondent authorities have arbitrarily not considering, have not considered the petition for promotion Mr. Hob, his junior. Only one junior or many juniors? His junior was considered and promoted to the post of warrant officer within bracket general duty by superseding by an order dated 26/04/2019. Is there any rule?
My lord.
Is there any rule or circular for promotion
Yes, my lord.
regulating the
My lord.
promotion? Anyway,
Promotion, my lord,
ROI dated 5/1997.
where it is,
that is regarding SCR, my lord. I have annexed
where it is,
Page 64 to 70, my lord.
Annexed 6 of my writ petition.
in excess 6,
Yes, my lord.
where is the relevant one?
Relevant, my lord, page 30.
No, any other instruction or the circular regulating the promotion to the
Oh.
warrant officer?
Promotion, my lord, he has to complete 6 years of service as a Havildar. He is from 2008. And my lord, SAPE 1 and senior.
You are 1991,
Yes,
huh?
yes. He has qualified, my lord, all the tests.
Huh?
He is ready for promotion because of SCR only. They have said in their affidavit.
You are seeking promotion from which post to which post?
From Havildar to warrant officer.
When you were promoted in the rank of Havildar,
2008, my lord. I have written.
2008.
Yes, ma'am.
And your junior? Junior where?
Junior, my lord, Havildar. That, my lord, but they have said that he is junior, my lord.
Please stop. Huh? The petitioner was promoted the rank of Havildar, huh?
Yes, my lord, yes.
And the required,
Para 4,
the relevant requirements
para 4.
under the instruction is that the, for promotion to the post of warrant officer, one must have a qualifying years of 6
6
years.
years.
6 years. Mr. Mr. Next paragraph. MS so and so learned counsel for the petition submits that there is no dispute that the petitioner is eligible for promotion to the post of rank officer, post of warrant officer within bracket GD as the petitioner in the year 2019 when his junior were promoted as the petitioner having been promoted to the post of Havildar in the year 2008. Mr. It is also not disputed that the respondent authorities have promoted his junior while ignoring the case of the petitioner. Mr. However, on the representation made in 2000, yes, you are promoted, now you have been already promoted,
Yes, ma'am, 2022,
2022.
February 2022.
No, listen. However, on the representation of the petitioner, the authorities have now promoted the petitioner to the post of warrant officer with from the date of
22 February 2022.
with effect from 22/02/2022,
Ma'am.
whereas since the petitioner has been superseded by his junior, his promotion ought to have been from the date when when the junior of the petitioner were promoted. Therefore, she submits that direction may be issued to the respondent authorities to promote the petitioner to the post of warrant officer oblique GD from 01/04/2019, i.e. from the date when his junior was promoted with all consequential service benefits. Mr. G. Peg Leonard, Leonard CGC. Where is your statement?
Page number 40,
54.
44,
Ah,
para 3.7.
54,
Hello.
3.7.
Yes. For the year 2015-16.
Submits that the petitioner had to be superseded for promotion to the post of warrant officer within bracket general duty in the year 2019 due to non-fulfillment of the eligible criteria as required in the ACR in terms of the instruction
Yes,
regulating the promotion.
record of his instruction.
List
ROI.
of list of. Although the petition, since the petitioner was not considered for promotion while considering the junior of the petitioner on the basis of the non-fulfillment of in the ACR, the ACR only ACR did not contain the adverse remarks. Therefore, same was not required to be communicated, as it provides that only adverse remarks, weak points or oblique and below average figurative assessment in quality will be communicated in writing in the form of a letter. Mr. Therefore, he submits that since the petitioner has been now promoted to the rank of warrant officer from the date of DPC in the year 2022, he is not entitled to be promoted from the year 2019 as the petitioner at the relevant point of time did not qualify, did not eligible in terms of the relevant instruction listed. However, he fairly submits that the ACR ought to have been communicated in view of the settled propositions of law. That's your submission. It has to be communicated. Next parent. I've considered the submissions of land and consent for the parties, and also there is the materials available on the report. Admitted the petitioner was promoted to the post of Havildar in the year 2008. And his case has been, he has not been, who was eligible in the year 2019 when the PC was held. So it is also admitted position that the one junior Havildar has been promoted by superseding the petitioner in the year 2019. So now the petitioner has been promoted to the post of warrant officer within the GD in the year 2022 from the date of the PC. Next one. It is noted that the non-consideration of the petitioner in the year 2019 was on the basis of the entries in the ACR of the petitioner. The entries in the ACRs, which was the basis for consideration, a non-consideration of the petitioner's case for promotion, was not communicated to the petitioner. List of the regarding the communication of the entry in the ACR has been settled by the Honorable Supreme Court. Mr. Profitable reference may be made to the case of Devdutt versus Union of India and others reported in 2008 8 SEC 725. Mr. Next mayor. It is no longer res integra that every entry on grading, adverse or not, in the ACR should be communicated to the officers or league officials by the authorities concerned. Mr. As noted above, in the present case, it is admitted position that the remarks, public entries in the ACR of the petitioner, which was the basis for non-consideration in the year 2019, was not communicated to the petitioner. The records reveals that the ground of not considering, the ground for non-consideration of the petitioner for promotion to the post of warrant officer of GD, within bracket GD, in the year 2019 is on the basis of entries made in the ACR.
For the year 2015 and 16.
That's all. Step. And the said entries, oblique remarks, were not in the ACR of the petitioner was not communicated. Mr. The no, the non-consideration of the promotion of the petitioner in the year 2019 while promoting the junior is clearly based on the remarks of the entries in the ACR, right? Remarks and entries for the last preceding 5 years. 5 years.
No, for the year 15 and 16.
For the year 2015 and 16. And certain entries of the remarks in the ACR having not been communicated. I'm of the considered view that the non-consideration on the basis of uncommunicated remarks, public entries in the ACR has caused prejudice to the petitioner. As as it is settled position that even if entries, public remarks in the ACR is not adverse, same request to be communicated. Mr. Next paragraph. Having considered the submissions and the materials and considering and in view of the findings, in view of the observation made herein above, I'm of the considered view that non-communication of the ACR to the remark, non-communication of the remarks, public entries, of the ACR to the petitioner had an adverse effect as the respondent authorities have not considered the petitioner for promotion to the post of warrant officer of the local GD purely on the basis of the entries, public remarks made in the ACR of the petitioner of the year 2015 to 16. Mr. Next paragraph. In view of the above and considering in view of the discussions made here in above, I would, it is deemed. No, I'm of the considered view that the respondent authorities are deserved to be directed to consider the case of the petitioner for promotion to the post of warrant officer, the GD. From the date when his junior was promoted in the year 2019, list of 2019, i.e., yeah? Which date?
1st April.
01. 1st of April,
Yes, sir.
April Fool. 01/04 2019. Stuff accordingly. It is directed that the petitioner be granted promotion with effect from the 01/04/2019 from the date when his junior were promoted to the post of warrant officer of Big GD. As the petition, as the reason for non-consideration was on the basis of the entry oblique remarks of, in the ASR of the petitioner for the year 2015 to 16, which was not communicated to the petitioner. So, writ petition states allowed and disposed of.
Okay.
Normally, we don't direct it for retrospective promotion, but once it is.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Matter is pertaining to medical reimbursement, Lordship.
yes,
For a long period, Lordship, they have taken time and again, Lordship. File affidavit, Lordship, Health Department, Lordship.
yes.
Initially, a direction was given to pay me something 5 lakh something, Lordship. I filed contempt cases because that was not filed. In that contempt case, they said that some 1 lakh something was payable to me.
Hmm.
So I was given a chance to challenge before this honorable court. I have challenged it again, Lordship. Now they are not filing their affidavit, Lordship. Maybe they have lost all the documents relating to my case, Lordship. That I
Yes,
fear, Lordship.
Lordship, the affidavit has gone for waiting. We'll be filing it. And Lordship, the health department have already furnished the admissibility report to the
which
higher
year?
education.
Lordship,
Medical
the
reimbursement.
person in the meantime has died, Lordship. Who
Huh?
applied, Lordship.
Yes,
The person who applied, Lordship, he
Ah.
was a professor, Lordship. He died, Lordship. And his wife took up the case, Lordship. And it was since,
your
Lordship,
claim is under under some circular or guidelines
guidelines, Lordship.
which you are entitled.
Lordship.
So they are disputing.
Actually,
your-
they
your-
didn't dispute, Lordship. They agreed to pay it, Lordship. And subsequently, why, I don't know, Lordship, during the lifetime of the person concerned, Lordship,
Hmm.
it was not paid. And subsequently, his wife took up the matter, Lordship, before this honorable court. Then also they didn't pay, Lordship. Finally, she had to file a contempt petition. Court directed to pay.
Earlier there is a direction.
Lordship,
Earlier there was a direction.
there was a direction, Lordship, to pay. They
Ah.
didn't pay, Lordship. So
Then-
contempt was
Then
filed.
you
Lordship.
file a contempt.
So
In the contempt
in
petition,
the contempt, they
they
said
say that you are entitled to for
under
1 lakh,
very less amount, Lordship.
1 lakh only,
Lordship,
not 5 lakhs.
Lordship,
Your claim is 5 lakhs.
Lordship,
So you have filed this present petition
Lordship,
challenging the
Lordship,
decision
Lordship,
of your entitlement of
Lordship, Lordship.
amounting to rupees 1 lakh. Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship,
very simple matter. Why you are delaying it? And person for whom it has been to be reimbursed has also unfortunately expired. Have some human consideration also, such matters.
we have already furnished the admissibility report to the higher education department, and the higher education department, being the parent department, have to disburse the amount to the petitioner.
How much? 5 lakhs?
Lordship, it is. Vetting on this one. Lordship, the affidavit have gone for vetting. And it is.
Don't you have
597.
that draft copy? Do you have the draft?
No, your Lordship, I don't have the fresh draft copy.
Anyway, betting then how many years?
Lordship, by tomorrow we'll be filing.
You'll be filing tomorrow?
Yes, yes.
Are you sure?
Lordship, it have gone for vetting, like,
You expedite. I will not, we will give you 1 week. Next week, we'll take up
Okay.
next week.
Also, let them place the record also, Lordship. I think they do not have the record, Lordship.
No, if they don't have the record, how can we ask them to?
Lordship,
How
Lordship.
how can we compel them?
Lordship, Lordship,
We'll see
Lordship,
what is what is their stand.
Lordship, Lordship. 1 week, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petition.
I am Bhagavati.
Yes, your name?
MS
Next.
IDAS on behalf of the Upamanyu.
MS Swins on the further on the prayer of MS So appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Upamani, Learned Standing Council for Health Department.
Your Lordship,
Further, a week's time is granted to file affidavit as a last chance in view of the fact that the matters pertains to claim of medical reimbursement.
Lordship.
Please stop, sorry.
Maybe Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter will be covered by the division bench, honorable division bench judgment, Lordship.
Hmm?
Honorable division bench judgment, Lordship, regarding Lordship, tutors as to get the regular pay scale, Lordship, this judgment, Lordship.
Regular pay scale.
Yes, Lordship. With the tutor, Lordship. Lordship, this writ petition, Lordship, we filed earlier, prior to the judgment, Lordship.
Ha.
Just at that time, our prayer was there to regular meet to the post of a teacher from the category of tutor.
Huh?
First,
To
Lordship-
regularize.
Yes, Lordship. At first, we filed this case, Lordship.
Yes.
Thereafter, Lordship, this judgment is come, Lordship. Now, Lordship,
Judgment.
yes, Lordship. That's
Ah.
now I'm praying for that this judgment, benefit of the judgment may be given to us, Lordship. And I also filed an IL, Lordship, regarding that, Lordship.
Saying that
Yes, Lordship.
you
Now
may
we're ready
get a
to-
similar benefit
Yes, Lordship. Now
in
we're,
terms of the judgment passed of the, which
Division
judgment,
bench.
where it is?
yes, Lordship, division bench judgment is a moral, Lordship.
Yes, who is appearing?
This is the judgment, Lordship. Already honorable.
Who said you have filed application?
Yes, IL, Lordship.
Where is IA?
This IL, Lordship, 3813, Lordship.
IA.
3818.
3818.
Yes, Lordship. This prayer may be seen, Lordship.
Hmm?
Prayer may be seen, Lordship.
Page?
Page, Lordship, 12. And we have annexed our all documents, Lordship, that we are the tutor, Lordship.
Why you have annexed all this? Have you not annexed here? The judgment?
Yes, here also we have annexed, Lordship.
What is the judgment?
Oh, judgment is in the book, Lordship.
You said why you have, you said you have annexed the judgment here?
No, Lordship, judgment I have not annexed, judgment is in the book, Lordship, judgment I have not annexed.
Yes.
My lord. Honorable courts of various cases.
According to him, it's a covered case.
Lordship.
I mean, the issue has been settled by division bench.
And in some of the cases of Lordship, this civil benefit is given, Lordship, this judgment, we have also specially orders, Lordship.
Wait, sir, if one judgment, if you are seeking a similar relief, one judgment is enough.
Yes, Lordship.
Why so many judgments?
Well, as per that judgment, Lordship,
Let us go through it, man.
Yes. Your claim is for?
to get the regular pay scale as a tutor, Lordship. With the tutors, Lordship.
Your claim,
Yes, Lordship.
what is your prayer? Let us see.
In this, in the IA may be said first, Lordship. Others.
Why IA we should go for? We'll go where you
First, in the writ petition, Lordship, we filed prior to, Lordship, the judgment, Lordship. That's why we, Lordship, at first, in writ petition, Lordship, we prayed Lordship to regularize.
Call for petition upon direct decision to upgrade the post of petitioners from the cadre of tutors to the cadre of teachers.
Yes, Lordship.
That's all.
Yes, Lord. This, writ petition was
Also,
filed prior to the judgment, Lordship.
conduct a special date on everyone also that they can complete within a reasonable time. You are not praying this now.
Yes, now, Lordship, I filed the IA, Lordship. This was prior to the judgment, Lordship. Thereafter, when judgment come, Lordship, we filed the IA, Lordship, that. this-
What the judgment says?
Judgment says, Lordship, the tutors are also entitled the regular pay scale, Lordship.
So you are not claiming for upgradation,
Upgradation,
Now you are not claiming-
now we are not paying, Lordship.
only the entitlement.
Yes, Lordship.
You file a representation, will, because this writ petition doesn't survive now.
That's IA, this.
IA cannot be. First IA is for what?
IA is to give the benefit of the judgment, Lordship. Yes, sir.
IA that cannot. Be. See, this is your basis.
Yes, Lordship. This
It's
is-
no longer there. It has become infructuous.
it's-
You are not claiming now.
If it is combined, the deed
Huh?
petition lordship, that benefit that.
See, you have made some prayer in the writ petition.
Yes, lordship,
There is a judgment which is in your favor.
yes, lordship.
So, which is not relevant to the, related to the prayer which you have made in the writ petition.
The deed petition.
We'll
will play
consider
to
the
mass
deed
lordship.
petition
It will
only.
play to mass lordship, now it become lordship, the.
Will give you be a liberty to approach the authorities to and file this judgment claiming the similar relief. If
So
they
that
reject, if
observation
they,
will
if
be
they,
kept.
if they reject it, you come back.
Yes, lordship, this type of the benefit also given by the sub court. That's why I'm saying lordship, this, if the honorable court lordship remanded back to them lordship. As per their opinion lordship, that may be also purpose.
What is that?
Input also.
After this judgment of the.
Yes,
division
yes,
bench.
lordship. Yes, several orders have passed, lordship. Several orders, lordship. Several orders to give the benefit.
Only one order will suffice.
The parties names are there, the relevant portfolio is there, lordship.
This was a case challenging the virus of the rules.
Yes, Lordship.
And the act,
Yes,
provision of the act and rules.
my lord. Yes, Lordship.
Your case is for upgradation of
Upgradation, my
the.
lord. No, yes, sir. First I paid
Very,
for.
you are not, you are not pressing for upgradation,
Now we are.
which is your case in writ
Yes,
petition.
Lordship.
The matter has become infructuous.
That's why we filed I Lordship that benefit may be given, Lordship.
So what benefits? See,
Benefit of that paragraph number 179. Lordship.
you approach the court. It's not a similar matter. You may be entitled.
Yes, entitled, Lordship.
You may be
That-
entitled, but you have to approach the authorities. We cannot pass order in this writ petition because your prayer in this writ petition absolutely it's completely different.
Unless we will file a refile.
If you
Lordship.
are-
We will do it liberty, Lordship, we will file a fresh petition.
Huh?
Lordship. We will file a fresh petition, Lordship, only for that claim. Lordship. With that period, Lordship.
Well, he may be withdraw
Yes,
this
Lordship.
matter.
Huh?
He want to withdraw, well, let him.
With the liberty, Lordship, we will file a fresh petition. Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship, I'll do that.
Instead of filing, you approach the authority. Will allow you to withdraw. Withdraw the writ petition.
Yes, with liberty, Lordship, to file the
Ah.
petition.
And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, no, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw his writ petition in view of the fact that the petitioner in view of the fact that the prayer made in the writ petition is no longer survive. This stuff. And with the liberty to file a fresh this stuff. Mr.
PK Bora,
Learned counsel for them.
PK Bora, elementary standing council.
Standing counsel,
Elementary education.
elementary is present. Prayer for withdrawal is accepted. Accordingly, writ petition is then closed on withdrawal with the
Obliged.
liberty as prayed for.
Hello, Lordship.
Obliged.
He also you.
This is the case, my last three orders are all by your lordship. The first order, your lordship had filed at 6/3/2024.
6-3.
That is, that lordship was by your lordship.
Yes.
That order. Well, look at that order kindly, my lord. Actually, I had threefold prayers in this case. Similarly circumstanced were given my lord regular salary much prior to me, and that was pursuant to a court's order. I was excluded. Then I was, because of that, I was included under the new pension scheme. That is my main prayer. I retired in 2021, June. Last paragraph, your lordship, on the day one, observe that pendency shall not be barred to release provisional pension.
You have not been released.
That has not been now, it is 5 years, more than 5 years of my retirement, the question of subsistence is there. So and they have not minded to file the affidavit also. Lordship may kindly see the order dated 23/9. State. Then again 19/3/25 order, that is also by your lordship.
Yes.
They have not filed. So my lord, at this stage, my prayer that this time your lordship may give clear direction to my lords to pay provisional pension within a time-bound time without prejudice to, subject to determination of other issues.
My lord, we have not received instruction, my lord, complete instruction. Partial we have received, my lord. Let us some time, my lord, grant some time, my lord.
Let us wait for some time. We'll give them a last chance.
My lord,
You have received some instruction.
partial, but that is not complete, my lord.
We'll give them 2 weeks
This,
Even
lordship
if
may
it is-
record that this will be the last chance given
since they have already.
affidavits.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks is too long, my lord. This lady is virtually starving.
Yes.
My lord,
2 weeks, 2 weeks.
my lord.
That too, last chance. It's regarding
And fix a date,
from,
my lord.
pension only.
My lord,
Better release the pension. Otherwise, normally we'll give you 4 weeks.
So lordship may write it is the last chance. time is given for affidavit.
Heard Mr. A.C. Borbor, learned senior counsel assisted by M.S. Swainso, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. P.K. Bora,
My lord.
learned standing counsel elementary education. Submits that he has, although he has received certain instruction, same is incomplete, therefore, phrase 4. For the 2 weeks time to file affidavit. List of, considering the matter relates to, the matter pertains to. Considering that the matter pertains to, pension. The prayer by the understanding council is accepted as a last chance, according. It is directed the understanding council file their affidavit.
And
within
Lordship
a
may
period
post
of
it,
2 weeks.
post it for
Not
admission.
before,
Lordship may post it for admission hearing sometimes after 2 weeks, my lord. Say,
let's give that after 2 weeks.
no, say 3rd of December. Within 2 weeks, they will file, and 3rd of December, let it come out
Well,
for
before 3rd of December.
admission hearing.
Obliged, my lord.
Okay.
May it please your lordships.
Yes.
Petitioner before your lordships is working as a drop teacher. It means that before the provincialization of the school, my lord, the school, he was working in the year 1988. And his school was provincialized 1992. Then, my lord, he was left out and known as a drop teacher. Then all the drop teachers approached this honorable court, and honorable court passed an order to place the documents before the high power committee. Then the petitioner's case was also submitted before the high power committee. But at that time, there is a P.K. Manners, his name was not shown. Again, he approached this honorable court. Honorable court passed an order again to place the high power committee, and high power committee, on basis of all the documents, my lord, high power committee to consider the case of the petitioner, my lord. Since the school is fell into the Bodoland Territorial Council, that Bodoland Territorial Council have complied all the court's orders, my lord. Only the secretary to the Education Department Elementary, he passed an order, speaking order, stated that his name is not shown in the I mean to say
What is the MP order? 1840.
pin order is annexed 20, my lord, page 89.
Page 89.
His name is not shown, DP, details particular, my lord. And the Harbor Committee has already been passed an order that he is a drop teacher, my lord. Lordship, kindly pay you the
89. 89.
89. This is the impugn order.
Pairs pronoun shows that the petitioner said was appointed by where it is? What is the finding? Thereafter, Metro was referred to so and so. A legal view of the honorable advocate will show the honorable advocate will the senior most officer other components of verify the findings and accepting and
So this, sir.
on the basis of the
The photo racing order has been passed. List of dates. 7327, WBC number, where it is, please.
Yes.
My lord, didn't you
What's
s-
wrong here?
Yes, it is, it is
See,
wrong, because,
Your name has to go along with the provincialization of the school.
yes,
And the school was provincialized in 1991. And your name was recommended or sent in
Ye-
1992. Why?
no, that is not correct. If it is not,
It is not
DP,
correct.
no, my lord.
We'll find out which is correct, which is.
No,
not
my
correct.
lord, because if my name is shown as a DP 1992, then why the selection committee has selected me, my lord? That is, lordship kindly,
That's why there was an.
lordship kindly peruse the
There
lordship
was an exercise undertaken by High Power Committee.
committee. Yes, lordship kindly peruse the hyper committee's
Saying what?
said that the matters Syed Farooq Hussain Khan of Bhugalpur ME Madrasa is placed before the high power committee.
Ah,
The committee finds that the relevant records and documents in respect of the petitioner as at par with the criteria which are applicable for the elementary level teacher defined in the notification dated 2003, which are laid down for adjustment of drop teacher. Hence, the petitioner is found eligible to be considered as a drop teacher. Therefore, the name of the petitioner is recommended by the committee as drop teacher. But it is not stated that his name is not shown in the DP or in his name is shown in the second DP. It is not shown. Now they give commissioner stated that my name is shown in the second DP. But similarly situated person is already been appointed. Lordship kindly, she was appointed in the year 1992. Lordship, I have annexed. Lordship kindly peruse the pay 91.
yes, what is your stand?
91.
Specific instruction we have not received till now.
My
Did you
lord,
file the
lordship,
affidavit?
this case is,
No, we have not filed yet.
no, my lord, this
Sometime.
case is 2024, my lord.
We'll try.
And they have taken so many time, my lord, that may be fixed
Your
then.
affidavit is very difficult.
24,
So
I have,
according to the
earlier-
decision of the commissioner is contrary to the findings of the High Power.
yes, high power committee.
Let them find.
No, my lord, actually, they have earlier also.
Your
they have
affidavit
taken-
is very difficult.
No, no, my lord, kindly they fix a date then, give them 10 days time. Because Bodoland Territorial, lordship, if you find that Bodoland Territorial Council has already been sent to the commissioner to recommended the regularize the service of the petitioner and finance also approved, my lord. But this secretary
this-
is not.
So learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. PK Bora. Understanding council.
Because the person will going to retire next
Understanding
year.
Council Education Department is granted further 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Yes. Are you
Bless.
appearing?
Yes, for BTC, your lordship.
I don't know. BTC.
BTC has already been complied, yeah.
Good. Ah.
BTC.
BTC.
Respondent number page 29.
You have nothing to
Respondent
do.
number, my lord, 3,
You have
4,
nothing to do it.
2.
You are not filing.
Already
You are
submitted me.
supporting.
Yes, yes.
Bless.
Okay. Yeah. Right there.
Make it 3 weeks. 2 weeks. I'm sure you'll not file.
Yes, my lord, they always take
3
time, my
weeks.
lord.
3 weeks.
Very difficult for us, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, that may be fixed then.
Give the date after 3 weeks.
Right.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, matter pertains to non-payment of lifetime family pension to the petitioner.
Lifetime.
Yes, the petitioner is a differently able person. So
Ah.
he is entitled under the law to receive the lifetime family pension. What happened today morning, my lord, I received an instruction that the authority issued a PPO in favor of the petitioner.
Ah.
But I have a categorical prayer before this honorable court to draw the lifetime family pension as well as the arrear of the family pension because the father of the petitioner expired in the month of October
So,
2019.
what is your prayer here? What is your prayer in the writ petition?
To draw the arrear as well as the lifetime
So
family
what do you call?
family pension, lordship. But today morning I received the instruction, deliberating instruction that the authority issued the PPO from the
PPO,
petitioner,
yes.
but I have not received a copy of the order. Lordship may kindly fix the matter on Monday. I'll apprise this honorable court, because
Matter might have become infructuous.
no, exactly.
It is infructuous, my lord.
The-
Once
because-
he has received,
Once PPO
PPO
is
received.
received,
and if he hasn't, that will be a separate cause of action.
yes. if
He
it
cannot
is
hang
not
on to this case.
included.
May Lordship, I can
You know,
fix it on
I mean,
Monday. I have to
according to
go
if
through the
something in the
order.
PPO, if something is not
Yes.
included, that you can,
Lordship, I fix it on Monday. I'll
on
produce
the
a copy
prayer
of
of
the
Mr.
order.
So-and-so, learned
PP
counsel
water
for the
code.
petitioner. List this matter on Monday.
Monday.
Why not Friday in that case?
I'll be out of station on Friday.
Monday. To obtain instruction as regards the issuance of PP
PPO in
PPO.
favor of the petitioner.
favor of the petitioner. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the.
Alright, sir. Alright.
Azharuddin,
It will come next week, my lord. My praying is in another court, my lord.
Why?
Jayabedin,
what is the matter?
regarding appointment on compassionate ground.
No, it's been issued, no longer,
Yeah, next week,
there's no scheme,
they have not filed affidavit. my lord.
there's no scheme now.
But in fact, my lord, I have been appointed, my elder brother has been appointed, but prior to that, he has expired. And therefore request has been made before the authorities for consideration,
No, your elder brother was
selected for appointment
as a
on compassionate ground.
appointed.
Not appointed, before,
Before appointment.
before receiving the appointment order.
Very difficult.
Yes. my lord.
After 3 weeks,
Next week,
you'll
my-
not get anything.
Next week, my lord.
Heard Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for that.
Next
Not
week.
heard, Mr. On the prayer of Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 2 weeks.
They will
You
file,
file,
yeah, my lord. They will
reply
file.
That is not necessary because at the time of filing this, there was no compassionate appointment scheme. That was already over in 2017, my lord.
They will file affidavit, my lord.
You file.
Yes.
That may be reflected.
Mr. Pegu, learned
Additional senior government.
initially able to file affidavit. List after 3 weeks, 2 weeks, huh?
Make the lordship.
Yes.
So this matter, lordship, absolutely covered by the judgment, lordship, I have read for that in the late way, lordship. I'll see the page, paragraph, lordship.
Which one?
Lordship, regarding the judgment, we have already furnished, lordship, your lordship, regarding paragraph number 179, lordship. They are also tutor, lordship, and they, lordship, paid for the
Payment.
payment, lordship.
Lordship,
The
they
similar judgment is there, lordship, that in the light of this similar order, lordship, maybe kindly. pass on.
Lordship, they may file a representation before the authority along with the judgment. Lordship.
Yes, lordship.
That it may be examined. Lordship.
The similar order, lordship, this type of similar order. Same order, pass for us, if you have bigger.
How many petitioners?
Petitioners, lordship, they have, lordship, in
20.
27, lordship.
All are from same school.
No, different school, different colleges, lordship,
Hmm?
different colleges, lordship.
Not this year. It's good, my hair.
High colleges, lordship.
Have you approached the authority?
Yes. That is the
Have
question.
you approached lordship, now, approached lordship, but
Unnecessary,
they search lordship without any
directly
order.
coming to the court. You approach and if they reject
Yes,
it, then
lordship.
you should come.
Lordship, that is the lordship, as per their judgment, lordship, they can, so much they can do this, lordship. As per the division of judgment, lordship, where enter lordship, they can so much.
No, I agree with you.
Yes.
Why don't you approach the authority?
Lordship, we approach
First and
lordship,
come
we
back
approach.
if they reject it,
We approach lordship. not-
where it
they-
is. Show us.
No, lordship,
did you approach?
petition, lordship, we have not.
When did you approach?
We verbally approach lordship, they say that without high court order, they may not, lordship, do
Please.
this, that is lordship. And lordship, there's a lordship, there's
Whom
similar
you-
order, I
wh-
have an
Whom
lordship.
you are trying to make fool of it,
And
saying that verbally approach.
yes, lordship, that is.
Show us any documents. How can you just go and say that, give us the relief? See, it is not the way.
Lordship, this relief, lordship, in the, this order, lordship, lordship, supply, lordship.
Sir,
They are also, lordship, they
sir,
are,
please be fair.
lordship, yes.
Don't try to make fool of anybody.
Oh, I have, lordship, I have not submitted any application, that is correct, lordship. But all that observation, lordship, we have given, lordship, so that we can also, lordship, submit our, this order and this representation, copy of the representation, lordship. And they will, lordship, decide this issue within a period of time, lordship, that may be given, lordship. And this is the order lordship passed by the honorable court lordship. All the orders lordship in the similar line lordship.
Unnecessary, why we should give a direction and pass an order when you have not approach?
Lordship, they are also lordship without approaching the authority lordship, without representation lordship. And that's all lordship, they were directed to file representation, fresh lordship or with a.
Yes.
Representation lordship. On this line lordship, this may be called disposal.
Consider whether they are similar or not, that the authority has to examine.
Yes,
Lordship is
that's
correct, Lordship. So they have not approached, they have not filed any representation, nothing.
Kindly listen, lordship, this is the direction of this order lordship. To file a fresh representation lordship with the order and the representation lordship.
No, we'll say that,
Yes.
They will examine lordship.
will give you a liberty to approach the responding authorities.
Yes.
Lordship, this is
By,
the,
and file a representation.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
Then we will examine.
and they will examine lordship and will give a decision within a time lordship, either maybe 2 weeks lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioners,
Yes, lordship.
and also heard AR, I mean, the
AR officer.
standing council,
Higher education.
higher education.
Lordship.
Lordship,
MS, B. Bueller, senior counsel for BTC,
lordship.
BTC. Mr. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner claims to be the, what, your tutors,
Tutors lordship.
Tutors means they didn't have the necessary qualification.
anyway,
That's why, my lord.
claims to be the tutors,
So,
walking-
ramping regular scale pay.
working in the different.
Double to 7, WPC can make division.
What do you mean by tutor assistant professors?
Tutors lordship, as per act lordship, those who have the PhD degree or other qualification lordship, they were the tutor lordship.
Tutors
But tutor assistant
uh,
professor,
uh, serving in the a tutor assistant professor, is it called?
yes, lordship. Only one is
Is it
lordship.
tutor assistant
Professor,
professors,
lordship.
tutor assistant professors and tutor librarian of the very, in different colleges in the state of Assam. Claims, the Fred for a direction to pay regular pay scale. In terms of the judgment and order dated 04/10/2024, passed in WPC number 2729 of 2019. List of on upon hearing the learned counsel for the petitioners, it is noticed that the petitioners have not approached the concerned authorities for providing similar relief in terms of the judgment and order dated so and so. You just give the name of the judge,
Paragraph
name of the party.
Paragraph number 170.
No, what is the name of that party?
Party lordship, this is the lordship Mohor Ali Sheikh and another.
My
party
lord often has not like,
Ah,
no copy of the division bench's order.
It's reported.
This is reported.
Reported, what is that?
Yes, lordship, reported. Lordship.
Mohor Ali so and so, give that citizen,
Yes, lordship.
reported in. Name of the
2024, bracket 5, GLT 689.
list of
Paragraph
Eh,
179,
uh,
lordship, paragraph.
counsel for the respondents have also submitted that since the petitioners have not approached the respondent authorities, the petitioners may be directed to approach the authorities. This one. Next paragraph. Considering that the petitioners have failed to approach the petition, the respondent authorities seeking similar benefits as in terms of the order that the order in terms of the judgment in the case of so and so, it would be appropriate to direct the petitioners to first approach the respondent authorities. Accordingly, the respondents, the petitioners are at liberty to file a representation before the respondent authorities, a representation to the respondent authorities for consideration of the similar relief as provided in the case of so and so, Supra. Mr. As agreed to by the learned counsel of the parties, the writ petition is closed in terms of the, no, before that, the last slide, representation to find a representation. Last line. For consideration of their grievance, Mr. On such, on receipt of the representation, the
Paragraph 5 is the direction of in that order. Paragraph 5 is the direction in that order. In that order, we are reading.
You just raise a point. Writ petition is still closed.
Lordship, this paragraph, Lordship, of the judgment, Lordship, 179, that may be.
Okay, well, that's.
Otherwise, Lordship, there is other issues.
While granting the liberty to file a representation individually, as per this.
Yes, in
And then if they reject it, we'll say that the respondent authorities said on receipt of the representation, the respondent authorities shall consider the case of the petitioner.
Time frame, Lordship, 2 months, Lordship, some time may be given, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, they will delay the matter, Lordship.
You come back.
Examine.
They delay. Examine and dispose of the representation.
Verification and examination.
Huh?
Verifying and examining that.
This thing.
Lordship, here I am appearing for respondent number 6. If it has been sent for waiting, Lordship may take it after 10 days, Lordship.
Lordship, that may be fixed, my lord.
And Mr. So-and-so,
I'll get
learned
that
counsel
order,
for the Mr. On the prayer, Mr.
Each other.
Which of learned standing council?
SCRT.
SCRD. SCRT.
Yes, Lordship, respondent number 6.
Further, 2 weeks time is granted for filing affidavit, to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, can I pray for?
What is the matter? Is there any urgency?
Lordship, matter relates to wrong pay fixation, Lordship.
Wrong
Earlier,
fixation.
whatever we're given, Lordship, that has been.
After 2 weeks,
Yes,
we'll
Lordship.
consider. All right.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes,
Would you kindly peruse the order dated 4/8/2025, Lordship?
4/8. Yes. And therefore phrase that he may be given further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Fukon,
Well, I need some time, my lord. I have not received any instruction.
you have said you have already received. You have received the instruction. Of course, Mr. Fukon. Anyway. Or the MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file
Lordship,
affidavit. in
10 days time only.
Huh?
10 days time, Lordship.
What is the matter?
Provincialization of the service of the teacher. Provincialization of the service, Lordship.
2 weeks. 10 days, 2 weeks.
Lordship,
Obliged.
earlier blessed.
May I Mr. Mayor?
Yes.
My lord, kindly see the order dated 27/6/2025. There was a stipulated period till 28/2025. That was granted to the respondent to discharge my salary matter.
Yes.
Lordship, the sanction order has come, your lordship. The area salary has been sanctioned for item number 21, 22, and 23, your lordship. And for item number 24 and 25, it is still awaited, your lordship, the sanctioning letter, your lordship. For 21, 22, and 23, the sanction has been given, your lordship, by the government.
So,
The remaining two matters still available.
we'll close this in view of this. We're seeking for what?
We're seeking for area,
Area salary, your
That has been sanctioned already. We'll close it.
but
accordingly.
sanctioned only out of
Lordship,
5.
for others,
we have
for-
been sanctioned.
only-
Others will keep it pending,
Lordship, lordship.
My lord.
awaiting, huh? We'll just, which
But-
one is not sanctioned?
24, item number 24 and 25.
24 and 25, yes.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted by MS,
D. Musahari, your lordship.
D. Musahari, learned standing counsel,
Lordship, secondary education.
secondary education. That for the sanction approval for, what is sanction, what do you call it?
Lordship, is the sanctioning of the area salary.
Sanctioning of the area salaries are still awaited, which has already been under process.
Lordship is under process.
Yes, considering about, let this matter be listed after
Lordship.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, your lordship.
All right,
A date may be fixed, my lord.
3 weeks. Rest,
Lordship.
heard Mr.
H.R. Chowdhury.
Separate but similar, huh? Oh, yes. What is that? You think that?
This one.
Heard Mr. Jed Hussain,
H.R. Chowdhury.
HR
Chowdhury.
Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next paragraph. That is relates to payment of, relates to claim of payment for, what do you call it?
Area salary, my lord.
Area salary.
Yeah.
Area salary,
It is written in the synopsis itself, my lord.
area salary, area salaries. Mr. MS D. Mushari, learned standing counter, higher education,
Secondary education.
secondary education. By placing the copy of the order issued by the Joint Secretary, to Government of Assam, Department of Education, School Education, submits that a sanction for an amount of rupees 4,77,763 has been sanctioned for release of arrears and salaries to the petitioner, which shall be released shortly. It shall be released shortly.
Lordship, it has been sanctioned. They have, I think they must have even.
We have not received yet.
No, really, and then you just delete the list of considered above, and as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, the writ petition has become infructuous list of accordingly. The A writ petition stands closed as in.
My lord, the sanction order and letter may be court, my lord.
Yes.
That's what I meant.
The copy of the sanction order, huh? This is, we'll just mark it one, huh? This is in respect of. I'll make it is item 21. Then 2 is.
Item 22, Gulam Hamid, your lordship.
Ghulam Ahmed, 2. And this is 3. huh? Mark. Kept on the record and. Marked as documents X, huh? X, Y, Z. Disposed of. 21, 22, 23. Yes.
Shivani Malakar, your lordship.
23.
23, huh?
23.
Similar orders. Same order.
Separate. My lord, one copy of this sanction order may be furnished to me, my lord. That will be, I can communicate with my client.
Not sure I have extra copies.
24, 25 already order passed, right? Already passed, I bought the order. But, okay,
A date may be fixed, my lord, 24 and 25.
what date? Yes, next.
Obliged.
Obliged, your lordship.
May please, your lordship. First, matter pertains to non-updation of the pensionary benefits of the petitioner who was superannuated in the year 2016. 31st December 2016, lordship. And he received the salary, the pension of rupees 10,300. And till date, that amount has been kept stagnant without any updation, lordship. And the cause which has been shown by the respondent, that is EWD department, lordship, that is at page 45.
File the affidavit.
They did not file affidavit, lordship, till date. They are only taking time for instruction and instruction on last occasion, last order will be carries, lordship. Now the instruction is remaining only on part of the PWD NS division, lordship, which has been represented by Mr. Dhar, lordship.
Where is
And-
Mr. Dor?
What took
I'm appealing
time?
on behalf of Ardhar, my lord. I have submitted instruction, my lord. They need 1 month time to file, submit their para-wise comments, my lord.
Last chance.
Lordship,
1 month, 3 weeks, last chance. We'll
2
give
weeks
them.
maybe, lordship, because
They'll not file.
since 2016.
Stop no use fixing it.
Deeply,
Give them 2 weeks, 3 weeks time as a last chance.
Then a date may be fixed, lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the,
Date of-
on the prayer of Mr.
Yes.
Are there learned standing counsel and you are not,
I'm for the 18, Lord, for number 3.
do you need to file affidavit?
No, I do not need.
And so and so.
Be sure.
And so and so, huh?
Number 3.
Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit as a last chance. Answer method. Mr. So-and-so.
Sure.
counsel. Mr. Madan, standing counsel, accountant general
Accountant.
is present.
deeply obliged.
Who submits the, is present? And who present and
The date may be fixed,
who
lordship.
submits that you would not be filing.
We have already sanctioned the pension. He is receiving.
The accountant general would not be filing. No affidavit is required to be filed on behalf of the respondent number. What is accountant?
ma'am.
Respondent number 3. huh?
Pension.
Lordship, currently a date may be fixed, lordship.
After 3 weeks, give the date after 3 weeks.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Item 27, also, affidavit is ready, send it for vetting, Lordship.
Heard
My
Mr.
kind-
So-and-so
Kindly,
said
kindly see
further-
last order, my lord, only 10 days time they have sought
Further,
for, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel, learn standing counsel,
Junior government advocate, Lordship.
and state counsel further,
State council.
a week's time is granted to file affidavit.
My lord, my prayer is only for date, my lord.
What is the matter?
My lord, the petitioner was dismissed from service after rendering the 34 years service, my lord. On the allegation that
he has taken 500 rupees as a bribe from truck driver, my lord. But he has stated in the court of inquiry that he has taken only the fine, my
Okay, we'll see after 2 weeks.
my lord.
In that case, after 2 weeks.
My lord.
Obliged, Lordship. Repair, Lordship.
My lord, hearing this matter, notice was issued earlier, but they are yet to file the affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
We have not received the instructions.
Sorry, sir. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to Mr.
Lordship, Mr. D not appears for
Dina,
advertisement.
Learned Senior
Standing
Government
counsel.
Advocate.
Lordship,
Standing
standing
Counsel,
counsel, for APGCL, Lordship.
PDCL, to file affidavit in opposition.
Highly obliged.
Relates to pension and pensionary benefits. Lordship.
Yes.
He was given,
Lordship, provisional pension has been sanctioned and Lordship, there was a case of medical reimbursement also, that also has been sanctioned on 7th, Lordship.
Lordship. But
There's
the
your prayer.
pension payment order has not been issued till that, Lordship.
Because Lordship, it has been found that he has overstayed for 2 years. That also on a wrongful insertion of date of birth. The 2 date of birth has been, that I will bring it on record, Lordship. There has been an inquiry and it was found.
You want to file an affidavit.
On the point of the Lordship overstay.
What is his prayer?
To release the pension and pensionary benefits, Lordship. Now he has sanctioned, he said that he has sanctioned the provisional pension, Lordship. 1 month of that provisional pension I received, but that was revised, Lordship, probably, and he has got a fresh sanction order probably.
That has been done, Lordship.
That has
Lordship,
been done.
But then the pension payment order is still to be issued and other pensionary benefits.
It was done only, Lordship, on 7th. 2-3 days.
7th of this month.
Yes, Lordship.
You take instruction.
Lordship. Lordship, a copy if possible.
I'll give him a copy, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. Chakraborty. B. Chaudhary, sorry, learned counsel, standing counsel. Agriculture.
Yeah, yes, my lord.
Agriculture Department by blessing the communication dated 7 copies of the communication dated 7/11/2025 issued by the Deputy Secretary, Government of Assam, Agriculture Department, and the Secretary, Government of Assam, Agriculture Department, submits that sanction has already been granted for reimbursement of the medical expenditure and the provisional pension as well as the provisional pension to the petitioner.
Yeah.
For payable to the petitioner. Considering about no, Mr. So-and-so learned counsel having learned counsel submits that he may be granted a week's time to obtain instruction.
Kindly fix a date.
We'll let this matter be listed on Monday. We'll see instruction. Otherwise, is there any surviving?
Yes, Lordship, the pension payment order has not been
That's
issued.
the only issue.
That's the only issue, Lordship.
In that case, I'll grant them to file an affidavit. Why is it?
Yes, Lordship.
Some say he may be allowed to obtain instruction from the petitioner. Mr. on the prayer of Mr. B. Chaudhary, registered in council. 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Any date after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Give that date.
Right, Lordship.
But only respondent number 6 filed affidavit, my lord. But matter regarding compassionate family pension, my lord. The husband of the petitioner died on 27/1/2025,
So-
my lord.
Sir, from
And my lord,
Who has to file affidavit?
my lord, respondent number 5, my lord.
Is it necessary?
District Commissioner,
Okay.
Lakhimpur.
Heard Mr. K.R. Padgir, Learning Council for the petitioner. Who is for district commissioner?
We are from 5-6, 3-5-6.
You are for?
Five, represent my lord, District Commissioner.
On the prayer of Mr. MS
M. Kalita,
M. Kalita, Learning Government Advocate,
Junior Government.
Learning State Council, further 3 weeks' time is granted. 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in reply, opposition.
My lord, at least provisional pension may be granted, my lord. My husband died 27/1
Well, see.
January,
We'll see
my lord. That may be fixed, my lord. Then, my lord.
after 3 weeks.
Oblige.
12 delay. With
Yes.
your losses, my lord, this case relates to non-payment of arrears salaries, my lord. I have filed one repetition. That repetition may be disposed of, my lord. Page 34, annex 10. My humble prayer before your lordships to dispose of the repetition. Page 34, annex 10. Last page.
Yes.
Lordship, the instructions are awaited, and also your Lordship, the petitioner was regularly appointed only in the year 25, your Lordship. The order is at 28, page 28, your Lordship. Her other services were on contractual basis, your Lordship. It was only in the year 15 to 2025, she was regularized here. She was appointed as a regular teacher, your Lordship.
In 2025.
Yes, your Lordship, 15
Earlier
to.
also-
So what is the area salaries you are seeking?
I
For which year? Which month?
1/4/2006 to 16/8/2020. I was working since 2003. 3 to 2006, I have been paid. But I have not been paid 1/4/2006, 16/8/2010. That is why I pray before your lordship to dispose of the repentation.
No, let them file affidavit. Let's.
Yes,
Yes. You file affidavit. And MS in council for the petitioner. But the 3 weeks' time is granted to MS D. Masahari, Learned
Okay,
Standing
that-
Council,
Secondary.
Secondary Education, to file affidavit.
first case.
Oblige, your Lordship.
We seek some time to file our affidavit, Lordship,
You are for
for BTC, Lordship.
BTC.
Lordship.
Okay.
Yeah, my lord. Already similar cases, this is the cover case, my lord.
Cover
Similar-
case.
Yes, my lord.
Which
Can you see the page number 273?
273.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Similar nature of case, my lord. Only the few are left, my lord. They have already been granted.
What's your grievance?
But for non-consideration of minimum pay scale only, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
but Upendas.
What is the direction here?
Direction is directed in paragraph number 5, madam. Page 274. To grant the petitioner the benefit of minimum pay scale in terms of Upendas, before the granting them such benefit, the respondent will be at liberty to make necessary verification as may be required. They can verify, my lord.
Lordship, let us file our affidavit, Lordship, in this case. Let us get the necessary
So
instructions.
it's a covered case.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the requirement of affidavit?
Because Lordship, these are not the temper.
You go through the judgment.
Lordship.
It is similarly.
These are casual workers, Lordship, so we need to also verify.
Huh?
Okay, these are casual
These
workers.
are, present petitioner casual workers.
Yes, Your
This is also casual worker and this
Husband
order
also is
also
the
similar case.
Master role, casual and all those.
And they belong from the same.
Anyway,
Same division, my lord, and this is
heard Mr.
A Borough, my lord.
and counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners,
Petitioners.
further 3 weeks time is granted.
Let me 2 weeks, my lord.
Can you go, would you like to go through the judgment? If it is covered, we'll dispose of similar relief.
Let me be done. Okay. 270.
But we have to verify.
Considering the
And there is also observed here.
permission of the learned counsel for the petitioner. That the present petition is covered by the judgment of
37/2025, passed in application number 4193/2025. There is page number 259.
Mr. So and so learned counsel.
Das,
for-
sir.
Huh?
MK
MK Das, the standing counsel,
Yes, sir.
which department?
BTC Lordship.
BTC. Is granted a week's time to go through the judgment referred to above. Just after a week. You go through the judgment.
Lordship.
If it's similar, we'll dispose of similar, we'll grant the similar. relief.
Lordship.
What's
2 weeks,
the-
my lord.
1 week.
1 week, okay, my lord.
Lordship.
Obliged.
After a week.
I have been engaged to represent respondent number 3, my lord. I pay for some time to file affidavit, my lord.
Yes. And Mr.
B Chakraborty.
No.
I'm N Gautam Lordship.
Yeah, N.
For the
Gautam.
petitioner, your Lordship.
Then counsel for the petition. Mr. B. Chakraborty. On the prayer, Mr. B. Chakraborty, learned counsel appearing on behalf of
Respondent number 3, my lord.
Lordship.
3 weeks time, 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks time is granted.
File
to
affidavit.
file
Lordship,
affidavit.
if Lordship is pleased to go for the last order, your Lordship, Lordship will find that the respondent.
What is the
PNRD
matters? What is the matter, sir?
No, Lordship, like, they said that they'll place the instruction. Respondent
What is the
from
matter, sir?
regarding dismissal, your Lordship. Remove.
3 weeks, removal.
Lordship, I pray for a date, Lordship.
3
Sometime in
weeks.
December. Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, matter pertains to my lord, prolonged suspension, my lord, unauthorized suspension, my lord. Today is 260 days, my lord. No
Ah.
DP, no review has been initiated. On the last occasion, your lordship was pleased.
Are you sure?
Lordship, instructions
Yes.
were sought for, my lord.
My lord, so far as the review part is concerned, here, my lord, the petitioner was suspended under provision of Rule 6(2), that is a deemed suspension. It's not a, my lord, under 6(1) for drawal of departmental proceedings. So
Hmm.
there is a difference, my lord. My lord, considering the Adesh Chaudhary's case, my lord.
Hmm.
Under Rule 6(1), a particular employee is suspended pending drawal of departmental proceeding.
Hmm.
Under Rule 6(2), if a employee is behind the bars for more than 48 hours, in that case, my lord, it is termed as a deemed suspension.
Hmm.
Here is a case, my lord, where there is a, my lord, petitioner was arrested pursuant to a case, my lord, registered by the CM Vigilance Cell. And my lord,
So according to you, if it is deemed suspension,
lordship,
there is no,
yes, my
no
lord,
requirement of review.
because we have not suspended him for drawing a departmental proceeding. Even then, my lord, no, my lord, let me have the instruction, my lord. Today I sought for the instruction.
Yes, you take an instruction.
Yes, my lord, or by Friday or next Monday, my lord.
For a time being, I don't agree.
But my lord, here otherwise we cannot draw any DP. Entire, my lord, investigation has been conducted by the, my lord, CM Vigilance.
Where's the bar under the law?
No, there is no bar, but even then, my
Then-
lord, we'll have to.
I mean, I primarily, as of now, I beg to differ that if it is a deemed suspension, no review is required.
The review, my lord, we have done. Well, but in
Within
November-
90 days. You have not done
No,
within 90
that
days.
apparently is not there.
You file
Even
an
the-
affidavit,
Lots of.
we'll give them some time. Let us see.
Short date, I'm praying for a short date, my lord.
Huh?
Short interval, my lord, for the.
What is the allegation?
Allegation is
Allegation, your lordship.
some serious allegation.
Allegation is taking of rupees 10,000.
Bribe and all, my lord.
Oh,
He was caught
maybe
red-handed.
1 rupee or 10,000.
Otherwise,
or
my lord,
10,
allegation is there, my
doesn't
lord.
make
Your
difference.
lordship will find.
Conduct is not good.
Anyway, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the, Mr. B. Gogoi, learned additional advocate general,
My lord.
is granted further 2 weeks time, 2 weeks time to
2 weeks,
file
lord.
affidavit in opposition. Mr. This after 2 weeks.
May I pray for a date otherwise, lordship, because he is under suspension, facing financial hardship, lordship.
Hmm?
A humble prayer, my lord, date may be fixed, my lord, otherwise.
We'll see. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks. God bless you.
I'll-
My lord, in pursuance to the last order, now
Yes.
he, my lord, come with an instruction.
Yes.
They will within 15 days, they says, my lord, they will do something. So
Ah.
may I pay date, my lord, is a common prayer, that after 15 days it may be posted.
No, let it be after 3 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks in safe side.
My lord.
My lord.
And Mr. No, we'll say as agreed to be, will record that or is it?
Yeah,
recorded?
yeah, I have
Instruction
my
in place.
instruction.
He has placed a instruction, my lord.
I'll place the instruction.
That may be keep my part of the
Part
record.
of the record.
Had Mr. T.J. Manta, learned senior counsel assisted by MS
Sharma.
P. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S.
Okay.
Kotoki, learned counsel appearing for
AEGCL.
standing counsel, AEGCL, by placing the communication dated 7/11/2024. Submits that the submits that as per the instruction, the agenda of promotion of the petitioner, right,
Yes, my lord.
will be placed to the board of directors by circulation, which would take 15 days. 15 days time, which would take 15 days time.
My lord.
Approximately, which would take 15 days time. List of, no, which would take 15 days time approximately, huh? Approximately. As a considering above and as agreed to the land council for the parties. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
They have fixed, my lord, then it will be easier.
Conversion. Copy of the, you want to, it's okay,
No,
copy
no,
of the
no.
communication, so and so. Escape from the court.
My lord, deeply.
Lordship, matter pertains to the retirement benefit, lordship.
Ha,
They have filed their affidavit to date shall not show. So we have to go through the affidavit. lordship.
Actually,
Only
as part of
time maybe-
last, as part of last order, we are required to file one additional affidavit. Basically, point number 5 of the last order. The status of the terminal benefit of the petitioner, and in the event same is not been released till date, inter reasons for non-disbursement in terms of the earlier direction passed by this so-and-so, failing the filing of such affidavit will amount to personal offense. Lordship, thing is that Lordship, today, Lordship will file it today. So we have already served a copy of the service copy of the this thing, additional affidavit. So today also it will be filed. Because till today we have the time of filing the affidavit.
so what is order can be passed today?
No, Lordship, we humbly pray before your Lordship to take up the matter on after 2 weeks or 1 week. Let the additional affidavit be a part of the court record, Lordship. Because if we today file also, it will not be a part of the court record.
You have filed today.
It will be filed. We have already, yes, we have served a copy today. We have given it to the office for filing.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, it is submitted by Mr.
CKS Borua.
CKS for learned state council,
Yes.
appearing for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 5. That in terms of the order dated 29/10/2025. Affidavit. during the course of the day, for which an advance copy of the affidavit has already been served to the land council for the petitioner. As agreed to by land council for the parties, let this matter.
Date may be fixed, Lordship.
After 3 weeks.
Date may be fixed, Lordship, after a
Give
week,
the date.
Lordship.
3 weeks.
Date may be fixed, Lordship.
Give the date.
8th December.
Must also.
Oblige, Lordship.
Yes, respondent.
Render some more time, Your Lordship. Yeah.
What appears for the petitioner on call, Miss MS Science. Land. Standing council,
Your Lordship.
school education. Granted, 3 weeks time to file affidavit, just after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
What case says affidavit not filed?
Yes, why?
Affidavit not filed. I am body petitioner.
Yes,
The
what is the
respondent has not filed
matter?
affidavit.
What is the matter?
The regulation of service,
ONGC,
contractual,
who is the ONGC, who is the? I mean, Oil India, ONGC.
yes,
Who is the council?
non-appearing.
Heard Mister?
The Talukdar.
The Taluk, land council for the petitioners. Non appears for the respondent, despite service of notice. It's not. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. In the
at least-
meantime, the respondents may file their.
It will be after 4 weeks, after 4 weeks.
No, nobody is there. You can inform.
Yes, yes.
3 weeks.
A date. There are even.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly, here is the para 6 of of my petition, page 31. Order start from page 13. And Your Lordship may
So what
kindly,
happened? What they see?
page 31.
Where is Mr. Sisti?
Yes.
SMT Sisti.
Matters relating to old pension and new pension. The Honorable Court's direction was to provide the benefit of old pension. And his service should be taken under the pension rule. No, no.
Lordship, after some time, Your Lordship.
The contempt petition of 2020 loss.
Hmm? After some time.
Sometime, your lordship.
Wait, please, your lordship. There's a contempt matter, lordship. Pending since 2020, lordship. Respondents were directed to make payment to the petitioner's salary from his date of joining, lordship, from 1994. But no response has been given by them, lordship.
And Pukon was supposed to appear, your lordship.
Where's the program? Any affidavit?
No, lordship.
No affidavit is filed.
Nothing, lordship, no response, lordship. In the main case also, there was no response. In the contempt case also, there is no response,
Yes.
lordship.
Are you appearing?
Yes, my lord. Sorry,
Then,
my lord. I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, my lord. Yes, ma'am. Already complaints order was passed.
Lordship,
Yes, my lord, it is compliant, ma'am.
where is the order?
Lordship may come to the order page, relevant parties page 16, lordship.
16.
Lordship is see from paragraph 10, lordship.
To consider the case of interest, take decision as regards payment of salary and regulation of the service as per law. Because of the salary, if the petition renders service of vital salary for the petition. Yes, have you received
Lordship, this order,
17/2/2024?
Lordship,
Yes.
17/2/2024, Lordship, I have filed an additional affidavit, Lordship, bringing into record this order, Lordship. In this case itself, Lordship. Lordship, what was the direction? The direction was to give me my salary.
Consider your case.
And we
Lordship,
If you are
already,
yes, if you are,
already.
yes, it's clearly there. After careful consideration, it is decided the salary of the person may be released only for the period for which he had rendered service.
Lordship, this is shifting of responsibility,
It is
Lordship.
also decided as regards regulation of service of the appointing authority may take necessary as per rules and also taking into account that the particular has been remaining absent from the school except for a few days in 2002 without any intimation. Hence, the director is hereby directed to take necessary follow-up action on the matter after proper examination. Very well, and as per rules within 2 months from the date of. What had happened after
Lordship,
this?
nothing happened, Lordship.
What
Just
is the
shifting of
Director
responsibility,
is a,
Lordship.
director is a
Yes,
party
my
here.
lord, 7/11/25, my lord. Government has brought a letter, my lord, kindly see,
Where it is?
first letter,
Huh?
first letter.
I'm directed to enclose, who is this? Speaking order under reference to request you to submit.
Please see this letter, man.
And this one. Who is director?
Director secondary, man.
Who is? Are you representing him?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to take action now. Whatever, see,
My lord.
whether he is entitled for all for the periods which he has claimed, that is a matter of to be decided, that has been decided. But whatever he is entitled, as per the speaking order, you have to complete the process. He is right. You are just passing the buck. What is the sense of the director? Director is a party here.
In the contempt case, he was not a party because direction was given to the commissioner only to take up the matter and do the needful.
Then
So he is doing nothing, Lordship. He is just shifting the responsibility, Lordship.
On the part of commission, it has been done way back in 2024. It is the director. If he's not doing it, because certain
Lordship.
things are to be done by certain officers.
Lordship.
So commissioner cannot do any,
Yes,
all the things. So direction was to consider your case.
Lordship.
Yes, consider or wrongly, rightly. If you are aggrieved, you can challenge this.
That I
There's
can
there's a compliance.
that I can do. Lordship may see the matter is pertaining to a period from 1993-94. 1993-94. This is the third time I have approached this honorable court. Direction was given then to make payment. They didn't do. I came before the contempt, which a contempt case, Lordship. Subsequently, Lordship, order was, this is the contempt case, Lordship, and prior to that, I had also filed a writ application, Lordship, again praying for my salary. Then only I got this order. This is the second order, Lordship. And in the second order, they said the honorable court also verified all the documents, Lordship, that was available. And he was entitled for payment from
So in that case,
1994.
you implead the director.
Lordship, I can do that, Lordship.
This order you have already been.
No, Lordship. This one part I have, this 17-2, I
No,
have.
this is a communication
some-
by the deputy secretary to the director
Yes, ma'am.
to take action and to submit action taken report.
Lordship.
Maybe on behalf of
And Lordship,
government or on behalf of the commissioner.
Lordship.
Implement them.
And
We'll see.
also, Lordship, the commissioner's order, Lordship, the speaking
Otherwise,
order.
commissioner has complied.
Lordship,
Otherwise, the
not
court order.
exactly complied, Lordship. We cannot say he has complied. He has just submitted something which was given to him by the lower officers, Lordship, and he has shifted the
No,
responsibility to
you
the
can-
director.
If you are aggrieved, you can challenge this.
That I can do, Lordship. That I can do, but I can
For
also,
the purpose of this proceedings, present
Lordship.
proceedings, you
I will implead, Lordship.
had Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 2 weeks time to file appropriate application, impleading the director school education, secondary education,
Secondary education.
secondary education, domain of Assam. As MS Epukon,
And Fukan.
N Fukan, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the
Respondent one.
respondent number one by placing the communication dated. This is also a long time back.
Everything is long, they will do nothing, Lordship, I understand.
It's okay, we'll not say anything.
Lordship,
You implicate,
Lordship.
we'll see.
Lordship. That letter may be given to me, Lordship, copy of the letter, Lordship.
You said 7-11. This is not 7-11. 22/5/2024.
First letter, man.
First one, yes. This is signed on 22/5/2024. You furnish a copy.
Man.
You take it back. Otherwise, the second one, the speaking order has been, you have filed an additional affidavit.
Lordship, I have already filed.
You've already brought on
Lordship, I have brought on record, that is on record, Lordship.
list after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Much of it.
Please, Your Lordship. My lord, the operative part of order is at page 34, my lord.
Yes.
29, my-
Appearing, 60.
On 2 occasions, they have taken time, ma'am.
What is this? Para 30.
29 and 30, ma'am.
President and choose.
They process, but it has not been completed. Page 34, para 29.
Item 39.
Yes.
Lordship, SMT 60 is not here today, Your Lordship, with some medical issues, Your Lordship, so maybe taken out on some other day, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. J. Burbu, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS so-and-so learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. MS SMT 60. Learned counsel appearing toward the Alice contemner. Same is that Mr. 60 having some medical problem. Therefore, first for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So, having considered that Mr. 60 learned counsel appearing for the Alice contemner is of the medical problem, let this matter be listed. Let's let him list according after 2 weeks. Then in that case, item 35 also. 35 also.
No, 35 is not.
35 should be
35,
appearing.
huh?
No, no, I'm appearing 35.
35, yes.
Only matter is under process, so some time may be allowed, Malay, in this case, Malay.
To comply.
Yes, Malay.
The problem is that 2020.
Mr. M. Khan learned counsel
2020
for the petitioner as assured by the Mr. MS N. Foucault, learned counsel appearing for the Alice contemner.
Matter is under,
Come on, let this matter be
after 2 weeks.
3 weeks. We'll grant you 3 weeks.
And let only date may be given, Lordship, because 2020.
As assured by the so learned counsel appearing for the Alice contemner, who submits that the matter is under process, which would take 2 weeks time to comply with the order of this court. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
And the period, any date, Lordship, I'm saying, because it's 2020.
Huh?
2020 matter, Lordship, any date may be given, Lordship, after 3 weeks, Lordship, any date.
If so, it be listed. If it is not listed, you make a mention. Yes.
My lord, we need an extra copy. We haven't served with a copy, your lordship. Uh,
2023 matter.
Yes, your lordship.
You are waiting for the extra copy. Learned counsel to the petitioner to serve, to furnish a copy of the writ produced to the learned
Standing council.
standing council, elementary,
No, your lordship, secondary.
secondary education, MS, so and so, so and so. During the course of the day. Today,
Within 2 days only.
within 2 days. This after 4 weeks.
Already.
Phone number didn't get you.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, here the fact of the case is there, my lord, matter pertains to provincialization of the services, my lord.
Provincialization.
My lord, provincialization of services, my lord, services. My lord, the fact of the case in very brief is that, my lord, but as per the mandate of the section 3111, my lord, there is a requirement that, my lord, that the teachers of, my lord, 3 subjects.
Any affidavit?
Affidavit has not been filed, my lord, as on date.
After issuance of notice, my lord, this matter will probably come up for first time. my lord.
2023, why? Services are also complete.
Service complete, my lord, as per the office note 24,
Yes,
service completed, my lord. The respondent number
but
8 is.
Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. How many? One petitioner?
One petitioner, my lord.
Further 3 weeks time is granted. Mr. Bora,
My lord,
R.K. Bora,
PK Bora.
P.K. Bora. Learned counsel, listening council, elementary.
My lord.
Education department to file affidavit in office. This after 3 weeks.
Please, my lord, on admission, admission column, my lord, service completed, my lord. Admission here.
Admission.
My lord, can it be possible to fix a date, my lord, after 3?
Let's see, after we let them file that.
My lord. Oblige.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, in this matter, service has been completed upon the respondent.
Complete.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, may kindly fix the matter in the admission column. Thanks.
As per the order of Lazima, Betty quickly services in respect of restaurant number 4 and 5. They have been completed. No, complete, huh? Mr. Ravi, after 2 weeks. In the meantime, then listening learn consider respondents. No, in the meantime, respondents to file their affidavits.
How does that?
In this case, my lord, I would like to file impleading petition, my lord.
IA is for what?
For that, we have informed the probable party with whom we would like to implead.
Why you need to file that?
There is a court's order, that's why.
Huh?
Court's order is there. It may be disposed of.
No.
We have already supplied a copy to the probable contemner, my lord, who is holding the post at present. Earlier, they have already been retired or someone
This
is
is for
transferred.
impleadment.
Impleadment. No, this is for not impleadment, that we have, before impleadment, we should file letter to the party who would like to be implead, my lord.
You come to page 8.
Yeah,
Your prayer person.
well, it's a, yeah, yes, my lord, it's wrong. My junior has filed actually. I have not gone through it.
Why?
So I'm so sorry, my
Why
lord.
notice
I
is
would like
this?
to, yeah, I would like to do this.
MSK, they
Yeah.
learn it.
Hey,
Concept
Nima.
of the applicants. Press for withdrawal,
Yeah, Lisa.
that she may be allowed to withdraw this IA. Praise the Lord. IA is still withdrawn. List the matter after.
you
Contempt, huh? It is. And in contempt matter,
Are you present?
just after 3 weeks. In
আপনি
contempt.
কোন?
Yes,
Oh,
next.
May I please, your lordship? Direction part, lordship, is at page 12, para 7.
Equal notice of the assurance being given when the land study. Yes,
In this case, my lord, we have filed an affidavit, my lord.
saying what?
My lord, saying that, my lord, petitioner, the land which he is showing his school was established, that it was gifted by a Satra, my lord, but the deed is not registered. On the deed, my lord, which deed they have executed, my lord, that is not registered one. For provincialization, my lord, deed has to be registered one.
But then this is on your assurance only.
In fact, lordship, that issue has already decided by the same respondent, respondent number 1, lordship. I am giving that order, that was in the writ petition. Lordship, kindly see. Regarding land. Because Swatra land, lordship, as per my instruction, lordship, cannot be registered.
Lordship, one submission, Lordship, in the order, Lordship, here It is clearly stated, Lordship, if I may read Lordship here. The learned counsel for the respondent also considering the given facts and circumstances on record, this court is inclined to dispose of this writ petition by directing the respondent authorities to provincialize the service of the petitioner within a period of 45 days from today, if all the relevant documents required for provincialization of the service of the petitioner is found to be on order. Lordship, that handle has been given, Lordship, and now upon verification, if my learned friend is submitted.
No, is there any order passed in this regard that his case cannot be considered?
Lordship, that my
That-
learned friend.
That specific order, my lord. Right now, I don't have, my lord.
You have to tell them, if it is a clear direction,
True, my lord.
if all the relevant records required for, that is the document required for provisional service is found to be in order. How do we know that,
My
you
lord,
have,
they are taking a plea that the school has no registered land document. My lord, issue that was raised in
anyway,
the
that's not that.
earlier writ petition. In terms of the earlier directions, Lordship, that part has already been decided, Lordship. I have given that order, Lordship. If your Lordship kindly peruse that order, that is speaking order. Now they cannot say that the school.
Well, as per the act, my lord, school land has to be registered one, my lord, deed. Give deed has to be registered one, my lord.
Where is the exercise you have taken?
My lord,
Where is the exercise you have undertaken?
as per the provision of the, my lord, act 2017.
This is your affidavit. Any records to show that you have taken, you have undertaken some exercise to come to this?
My lord, I have
finding?
annexed the document along with the affidavit, my lord.
You are just, after filing of the contempt, you have just made this.
No, my lord, prior to that, my lord, here specifically order is direction is this, my lord. Also considering given facts and
Yes,
circumstances.
but his service was not regularly. In his meeting on the director, so and so following documents were submitted. This petition is.
Lordship, kindly peruse one of the paragraph of my order, Lordship, speaking order, passed by the government, Lordship, that I have given, was annexed in the writ petition. I have given that, Lordship, kindly peruse one paragraph. Page 49, last paragraph. This was the part of the writ petition. That part has already been decided regarding land of the school. Same authority, Lordship, who has filed this.
Which one?
Page 49, last paragraph.
A hearing was conducted.
Yes.
After verification, it is found that formed by the LP school was situated then measuring one began as a medical.
On that ground, Lordship, my service was not provincialized. I approached before this honorable court and this matter was remanded to the authority to make a hearing and pass the order. That order has passed. After that, Lordship, again they are taking the same plea.
This is by whom? This affidavit is by whom?
Same authority, Lordship, Narayan Kaur, he is the secretary.
Secretary.
Same person,
You have in same,
Narayan Kaur.
in a other person, in the appeal, you have decided in favor of the school that land, he has the land since 1994. Therefore, directed them to place for regulation, provincialization of the school before the SLC. How can you have a different stand now?
At 10 days time may be granted, my lord, I'll take up to the instruction.
Should we invite them?
My lord.
My lord, the
Let us see.
petitioner,
You find out. Secretary has filed the affidavit.
yes,
And it doesn't indicate, except the meeting of that authorities, how you have undertaken the exercise. What exercise you have taken, that is also not indicated. So you may go through the file and what exactly had happened.
my lord, petitioner has less than 2 years in service.
But been
More
listing
than
after
50.
10 days.
Yes, Lordship, a date may be given, Lordship.
And
because-
Mr. M. And counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer, Mr. R.K.
PK Bora.
PK Bora, non-standing counsel, elementary education. List this matter after 10 days. So as to enable them to obtain instruction. As it is noticed that the secretary, who is the earliest contempt in the present proceedings, is said to have decided that the land is under the possession of the school of the petitioner, since 2019, from 1994, in an appeal, in an order. By an order, that's all. 3103/2023. Whereas by filing an affidavit in the present proceedings, it is stated that the petitioner doesn't, the school of the petitioner has no land. Is not having no land in their possession. Possession, in the Indian name, in the name of the school.
10 days, Lordship, any day.
Question. Just after 10 days.
Oblige.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, earlier I have appeared only for the 15 and 17 and have instruction to appear for the other private respondents, my lord. Yesterday we got the water and today we filed, my lord. We need some time to file our affidavit in opposition.
All are represented now.
Yes, now,
Okay.
yes, my lord.
Your lordship,
Or
we-
Mr.
we have also
Swenson.
received the instruction, we'll file affidavit.
Parties, all the respondents are represented by their respective councils. Respective learned councils, on the prayer of the respondents for the 3 weeks time is granted
We need
to
4
file
weeks.
affidavit.
We need
4
4
weeks.
weeks time.
It may be taken in the admission column, Lordship.
Yes,
My lordship.
list after 4 weeks
Hello.
for admission.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, the read petition hearing is connected with a serious matter, lordship. And it pertains to recovery of amount. The case of the read petitioners is that they were staff nurse and they were working in LGB, Regional Institute of Mental Health, lordship. And after that, lordship, one notification was issued in 2021, and according to that notification, a certain percentage of salary was asked to be deducted from their salary.
What's
So
wrong?
being aggrieved lordship, the petitioners has filed their writ petition and uh, and on that order was passed. Order was passed to reimburse their amount lordship, which is annexure number 2, page number 16. And relevant portion is in page number 27 lordship. Point number 12. We want that similar order to be passed in this review petition lordship.
Where is the order?
Uh, Point number 12 lordship, page number 27. Point number 12 lordship.
Was by this court?
No lordship, this court's order is in page number 48 lordship. Wherein it was directed that writ petition has become infructuous lordship. So it has not become infructuous, we just want similar order as per annexure number 2 lordship.
Page, what is the order?
48 lordship, page 48, annexure number 4. Order passed by this court lordship.
Page
48.
48.
Yes, lordship.
You yourself has said it's become infructuous.
No, lordship, it has not become infructuous lordship. We want similar order as per annexure number 2 lordship.
Who is KLR Yantan?
Our colleague lordship, my
Then it is stated that but in view of the judgment passed by the writ petition has become infructuous.
We want lordship, we want the order to be passed as per similar, as per annexure.
No,
number-
why you have said that, agreed that it is, it has become infructuous?
Perhaps it was wrongly submitted by her lordship.
Yes.
I have no objection in this case because similarly situated person has been getting their benefit as asked for in their respective writ petitions. So similar order may be passed, my lord, because of the delay in
How
recovery.
to overcome this order under review?
Under review, my lord. But
First, we
once
have to review this order.
my lord become infructuous.
Was wrongly submitted.
You were there, Mr. Datta, you were also there. Mr. Talukdar, Mr. A.K. Datta,
Yes, my lord.
all were there.
But she should have praised before your lordship that a similar order may be passed. But he submitted infructuous. The petitioner who appeared.
What is the order, what is your prayer there? In the writ petition?
In the
Not to
previous
recover.
writ petition.
What is the writ petition? There are unnecessary things. Your case was, your that the respondent has issued an this order 25/6/2021
Yes, Lordship. And as
seeking
per-
recovery of the excess payment
Yes, Lordship.
by fixing the pay at rupees 13,860.
Yes, Lordship.
Right. That order has been set aside by the division bench.
But by the,
Division bench.
no, Lordship, this appeal was first after si- order was passed by Honorable Justice that the excess amount which was deducted by the respondent authorities should be reimbursed back to the petitioners.
Okay.
And they should get all the,
So that order is
order is-
25/6/2021.
yes, Lordship.
So different order. Same order or different order? In the other writ petition.
Well, I am permitted to, he's my junior. But there is another order by this honorable court. Their contention was dismissed. Against that, they not to recover. Against that my learned friend, Mr. Datta, has challenged it in a writ appeal. And writ appeal also dismissed. So earlier, single bench of Justice, Honorable Justice Michael was upheld. And our contention is that we pray for similar order.
No, this 25/6/2020 is the same order which was set aside by the learned single judge.
Yes.
Same order.
Yes, kindly peruse it. madam.
Annexation number.
Annex 2 file, kindly peruse, madam, Annex 2. Annex 2, my lord, your lordship will find that there is a elaborate judgment not to recover it by giving the reference of Rashid Mashi and
It's okay, that I've seen. What I'm asking is the order you have challenged in this writ petition is what?
that is not to recover, your lordship. Not to recover.
So
excess of-
is it the same order?
Yes,
Yes,
same order.
Lordship.
Same order which has been interpreted by the coordinate bench?
Yes,
Same order?
same order.
That is, what do you call it, 60?
Annexure 3, Lordship.
Annex 3 in the
Writ appeal.
writ appeal has been filed by them, my lord.
That I've understood. Which order has been set aside? Similar order which you have put to challenge in this writ petition?
Yes.
So?
Yes, that is not set aside. That has been confirmed by the appellate court. The order not to recover,
Writ petition, what you have challenged?
we have challenged the not to recover. the
Which order? Date of order?
Notification, my lord, I have, we have
was
given. Your lordship will get it, my lord, from Annex 2, that notification.
25/06/2021?
Yes.
That has been set aside.
That has been set
Yes,
aside.
Lordship.
So,
So now we want similar order.
But when it has come to your lordship, my lord, my junior has submitted wrongly, that it has become infractuous.
no. 25/6.
You didn't touch the single appeal.
Yes, 25/06/2021.
Yes.
That has been interfered with.
That has been set aside.
Set aside.
Yes.
We have challenged the same order. So that's why it has become infructuous.
My lord, infractuous word,
See,
something, they are little bit different.
no. Infructuous means when the order has already been set aside,
That's true, no doubt.
then,
That has been infractuous, no doubt.
then,
But you see, my lord, in all the cases, there was an order that should not be deducted. No deduction has been done.
you file a separate petition. Will allow you to file separate petition. See, same order which you have put to challenge has already been interfered with by the coordinate bench,
Yes.
setting aside that order. What remains there?
There's nothing
It
remains.
has become infructuous, right? Now.
Anyway, my lord, we are not,
after
we are
no,
not pressing the matter.
No, that's what I'm saying. If, even after the order is set aside,
It has become
whether this
infractual.
court or
Fresh
other court
it
enactments.
becomes infractual.
Yes, then we do.
Yes.
There's no ground for review.
We are not pressing it. We are not-
Even after that, if you have been, if you are sought to be recovered.
Yes,
you
then we
agitate,
can
you
again
can
come back.
agitate.
We may come again.
Since that has been already recovered, this thing, set aside or interfered by this court, how can you be, on that basis, how you can be,
Sure.
is not it?
Yes, we are not pressing it.
All right. Mr. S.C. Vishwas, Land Counsel for the review petitioner. After arguing the matter at some length, submits that he would not be pressing this review petition. Therefore, please, Mr. Eke Leonard, counsel for the respondent.
23 million.
Is present. Be available. The review petition stands closed as not pressed.
Obliged, doctor.
My lord, direction is, my lord, paragraph 15, my lord, page
Yes.
19.
What is this?
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit today, your lordship, and for contempt number 1, your lordship. We have filed our wakalatnama today, your lordship.
So you would like to file
Yes, your
affidavit?
lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of NJ Khatunia, your lordship.
Or Mr. So-and-so learned counsel, further, no, Mr. M.S. So-and-so learned counsel appearing on behalf of
NJ
NJ
Khatunia.
Khatunia learned counsel submits that she may be granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks.
4 year, 3 year, let's say.
3.
R4. R4 respondent number.
Very good. You are not filing an affidavit.
If the proposal is sent to us, we will do the proposal is to confirm the application. That's it.
Later is, my lord, family pension release of, my lord. Nothing has been paid, my lord.
2 weeks in that case.
That's it, in,
2 weeks.
respondent number 3, your lordship is no more holding the post, your lordship.
Huh?
Incumbent had joined, your lordship.
You find out.
Yes.
You employ the new incumbent if they are necessary.
Right.
All right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is my 2 weeks. 48.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, as per office not dated, service with regard to not complete, lordship.
Yeah, okay. Award service report
Lordship,
in respect of respondent number 1, 2, and 4.
yes, lordship. Lordship, if lordship may allow us, we'll take a fresh step now.
MS so learned counsel to the petitioner is permitted to take fresh steps for service of notice of respondent 1, 2, and 4. In a week.
Within 2 weeks, lordship.
No. This is still why 2 weeks? 1 week, huh? Within a week, list after 4 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
May please your lordship.
Yes.
Lord, so far the office note, service is completed.
Okay.
And matter will be taken up
Mr. A.K.
in admission column for disposal.
Heard Mr. A.K. Sikdar, learned counsel for the the, as per Lazima Court Order dated 24/09/2025. Service in respect of the respondent number 4, 5, and 6 are complete. List the matter for admission after 3 weeks.
May I please your lordship.
Yes.
As amendment application paying for sending the address of respondent number 6, lordship.
What?
Respondent number 6, Lordship, changing the address of respondent number 6, Lordship. Paragraph 3, Lordship, it should be the Group General Manager, HR Department, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Assam, Nazira District, Shivsagar, Assam. It should be Lordship, instead of Lordship.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 3, Lordship.
Had filed this amendment, going for amendment of the resolution. Only the address,
Yes, Lordship.
right?
Yes.
Objection, no.
No.
Heard Mr. So-and-so and counsel for the petitioner. This is an application and also heard Mr. So-and-so. For respondents,
Yes,
all the
on behalf of my
respondents.
senior
Ah.
T Das.
On behalf of Mr.
T Das.
T. Das. For counsel for the response. This is an application praying for amendment of the connected writ petition, particularly the address of the respondent number 6. Mr. The applicant, public petitioner has filed a connected writ petition seeking withdrawal of the post-retirement benefit scheme, which was deposited by him along with the interest thereon. List of the it is next para, it is contended by the and counsel for the petitioner that the in the connected writ petition, the address of the respondent number 6 had been inadvertently given as had been the wrong address has been in the connected writ petition. The wrong address has been given in respect of the respondent number 4 inadvertently. Stuff. Therefore, correct address of the respondent may be allowed to be amended. Mr. So-and-so clearly submits that he would not have any objection for such amendment. Having considered that the petitioner appears to have given the wrong address in respect of the respondent number 6 in the connected WPC 1429 of 2025. About this, I am of the considered view that the represent application is deserved to be allowed. Listen. Next para. Accordingly, the petitioner is the applicant is allowed to amend the co-stated, particularly the respondent number, and in respect of the to what accordingly the petition and in respect of the address of the respondent number 6 is under, so correct address should be respondent number 6, the group general manager so and so, page 7. Para 3, Group General Manager, HR Department, Oil and Natural Gas, Assam so and so. Writ petition stands. The IA stands allowed disposed of.
I
View of
leave
the
that.
order passed in writ petition filed amended. Amended cost title will
Lot
do. Amended cost title so and so. The registry to. On such filing, the registry to incorporate the addressed, the correct address in respect of the respondent in the question, huh?
I'll do it, sir.
This after 4 weeks. This is I for,
Yeah, I used to also improve the Department of Panchayat and Rural Development also. So, during the pendency of this litigation, this petitioner was recommended for appointment. However, he applied for Forest Department, but subsequently his appointment was approved for Panchayat and Rural Development. So Rural Development was not a party lodge, so now we have filed this petition to improve that rural development.
an objection.
No, sir, I am appearing for Chief Secretary, Lordship. Respond number 2, Lordship.
Then, who is for the Panchayat and Rural Development? PNRD.
Start the copy lodge at the time of filing. We have not.
You have served the
Start the
copy.
copy lodge. Name maybe not, yes, their name is not showing the code, but we have started a copy lodge.
Anyway, formally we'll
Lodge,
take it
yeah.
up at next week.
Next week lodge. We'll start the
week.
copy by the time.
The learned concept of the, otherwise we can allow also.
Lodge,
What's
not-
wrong? What's the problem?
Formal party
Ah.
lodge. Formal.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned concept of the press and also heard number 1,
My friend, Lordship.
I'm appearing.
so-and-so. I Bhattakar, learned standing council. And Mr.
H. Chakraborty, respond number 2, Lordship.
For respondents, next, this is an application praying for seeking implement of the, of what?
Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development and Deputy Secretary.
Commissioner,
As respect number 4 and 5.
Commissioner and Deputy Secretary. Panchayat and Rural Development. Department, Government of myself. Next step. Where they are necessary, how they are necessary,
Yes, Lordship, I have.
necessary party?
Yes. Lordship, you will find page 8, Lordship, of my. So this was the internal communication, Lordship, approach to the commissioner by the deputy secretary, whereby Lordship, the approval of this petition has been communicated, Lordship. You can see page 8 of my I. This was written by deputy secretary, Lordship, to the commissioner, informing that the approval of
What
this.
is your case?
Yes, Lordship, he applied for compassion appointment, Lordship. SLC has recommended him, but subsequently he applied, Lordship, for Forest Department. Subsequently, his approval has been made under Panchayat and Rural Development. So in the first petition, Lordship, Panchayat and Rural Development
Okay.
is not party.
The petition, the applicant, public petitioner has approached this court by filing the connected WPC number
734 of 24.
734 of 24.
24 laws.
Seeking appointment on compassionate ground. List of, well, no, under the
In
Forest
the-
Department.
Yes, Lordship.
Initially in
Yes.
the Department of Forest, Government of Assam. List of. However, the respondent authorities, where is this is what? Recommended SLC, huh?
Yes, Lordship. SLC recommendation.
During the pendency of this writ petition.
No, Lordship. Initially, SLC recommended him, but he was not appointed. So we approached this honorable court. Now, Lordship, vacancy has been shown in other department, but they were not made party initially, Lordship. So this application has been filed.
Mr. It is the submission of learned counsel for the petition applicant that although the appointment sought for under the compulsory ground on composite ground was initially for, in the Department of Forest. The SLC has shown the vacancy position, vacancy, shown the vacancy in the Department of Panchayat and Rural Development.
Lordship.
Therefore, the departments, therefore, the Panchayat and Rural Department, Government of Assam, Rural Development Department, Government of Assam is the necessary party for proper adjudication of the matter in the connected writ petition. Mr. So-and-so, both of them, have fairly submitted that they would not have any objection for implement of the Department of the Forest, the Department of the Panchayat and Rural Development Department, in view of the fact that the vacancy, the view of the fact that the vacancy zone is under the said department. Expert, having considered the submissions of land council for the parties and also considering that the petition, the applicant has sought for an appointment only. No, is approached this court. No, and considering that the applicant, the grievance of applicants is for appointment on competent ground. And the vacancy is shown to be, vacancy shown is under the Department of Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Come on, I deem it appropriate, and I'm of the considered view that the said department sought to be implemented is a necessary party for proper adjudication of the issue involved in connected writ petition. Accordingly, the Department of so-and-so, Panchayat and so-and-so, the Commissioner so-and-so, are allowed to be implemented as party respond number 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Petition allowed at this point. The IA stands allowed in this point. In writ petition, you said, in view of the order so-and-so. Just a matter after 4 weeks.
Can be after 2 weeks plus. Can be after 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks plus. Obliged.
Yes.
This IA has been filed for impleading SCIT Assam as a party respondent in this case, Lordship.
Yes, any objection?
I am representing the finance department. I may be allowed, my lord.
Huh?
I may be allowed, my lord, because SCRT is an SSI party here.
Okay. Heard Mr. So-and-so land council for the petition applicant and also heard Mr.
Arbor Pujar.
Arbor Pujar, land standing council finance and
B Dexa
B Dekha.
for respondent 1 to 6.
Same, this is an application seeking implement, praying for implement of the. What is that?
SCIT Assam, Lordship.
Where do we get it?
Yes, respondent number 8, Lord.
Where do we get it?
Lordship, actually, on the last occasion, when communication was submitted before this honorable court, with regard to that, this 25/3/2025, one communication is there, Lordship, on the last occasion.
What is the name of the department?
SCIT Assam, Lordship.
Director, no. SCERT.
State Council of
As-
Education, Research and Training.
State Council of
Education, Research and Training.
Research and Training, Assam. As per the respond number eight in the connected writ petition. Being WPC, so and so, 6622 of 2024.
RH, as response number 8, Lordship.
Your matter is for? your
This is
cla-
for the new pension scheme and old pension scheme, Lordship. Petitioner is claiming this old pension scheme, but the respondent authorities are saying that I am entitled for the new pension scheme. Passed the junior basic training exam prior to 2005. And all the necessary
the
documents.
applicant.
No, voy de.
By filing the collected writ petition has put to challenge the action of the respondent authorities in placing him under new pension scheme. Mr. During the pendency of, during the course of argument, it was, it is found that the school, what is called that, SCRT?
State Council of
State
Education.
Council for Education,
Research and Training.
Assam. Would require to be, would be a necessary party for proper adjudication of the writ petition. A connected writ, of the writ petition. Accordingly, the present petition, the present application is being filed, seeking implement of the SCRT Assam. You're right. In full, as per the respond number 8. Mr. Having considered the submission of and counsel for the parties, and also considering that the SCRT, who is sought to be Assam, who is sought to be, you did give this SCRT Assam, is sought to be implemented. It is to be a necessary for the for proper adjudication of the grievance raised in the connected writ petition. I deem it appropriate to allow this application. Mr. Accordingly, accordingly the SCRT so and so, represented by Director so and so, is given in the apparent person, is allowed to be included in respond number 8 in the corrected WPC so and so. Same order.
Also, registry is to make necessary correction. Registry is to make necessary correction.
It will be in the.
Yes.
And in the, this thing. Writ petition.
Also,
In view of the order passed in so. Obliged.
Lordship, this writ petition may come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Huh?
This writ petition may come up after 2 weeks, Lordship. In the meantime, I will serve a copy to the Standing Council of the SC.
4 weeks. 3 weeks.
There is some urgency, Lordship. The person
3
is not
weeks.
getting pension.
Yes.
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
And sir, this.
Pension, Lordship, is not getting pension.
You have already retired.
Yes, Lordship, I already retired. That's why. I'm not getting pension. That's why the issue is some urgency.
What is the guarantee that you will be
The guarantee is not there, Lordship. At least I can pray before this honorable court.
3 weeks?
3 weeks.
I am obliged. $62 has been maintained.
May I please? Lordship, in this case, the writ petition has been challenged by two petitioners who are projected themselves to be RTI activists and social workers.
IA is for what?
I is for against this hearing letter issued by at page 15A, Lordship will find. That is that they have, during the pendency of this writ petition, they have issued a notice for hearing of the writ petition by the department. Lordship.
Hmm?
A notice was issued for hearing of the writ petition by the department itself.
Where it is? Let us see.
Lordship will two pages,
Where a page?
15 and 15A, both.
15A. Inviting a reference to the subject, I am directed to refuse to attend the office of the director of the assignment along with all original in connection with WPC filed by Sri Harish Pegu and another Mrs. This is to whom?
This is to me.
The president, governing body.
No, it is, I am the principal, Ziarhal College, Ziarhal.
The principal, yes. What is the problem?
Oh, this cannot be, Lordship, two parallel proceeding. Lordship, when the subject matter is pending, this court has issued notice, Lordship, it is pending for disposal before the court.
Banikanta Pegu.
Yes. Lordship will find the earlier order passed in the writ petition at page 12. Our operative is 13, Lordship. Notice has already been issued. It is pending for disposal, Lordship.
Yeah. Yes.
Lordship, we have received one affidavit today only. An affidavit filed by the respondent.
That is in the main case, Lordship. We have filed.
Yes.
IA.
Regarding the IA, Lordship, just now only I have got the copy, whether it might have been served in the office, Lordship. I did not get the copy actually. So it's difficult for me. Just now I have got the copy from my senior.
The next date is tomorrow, Lordship. Difficult is that one. 11. Next page, Lordship will find 15B is 15A, Lordship. This hearing is scheduled to be held on 11.
What sort of hearing?
Yes, Lordship.
In fact, it does not carry any meaning, Lordship.
Is there any allegation against you?
Lordship.
What is there any allegation against you?
No, they have simply issued these two letters, Lordship.
So writ petition is for what?
Writ petition is two writ petitioners, Lordship. They are RTI activists and social workers. They have challenged my appointment as a principal in charge of the college, as well as my provincial.
In the writ petition.
In the writ petition.
So you are a respondent.
I am respondent number 6 in the writ petition.
So how can you stop that?
Yes, sir.
Lordship.
You go and appear.
No, Lordship.
Yes, nothing.
When the entire subject matter is pending for adjudication before this court, Lordship, the parallel there, it will create multiplicity of proceedings because Lordship.
It's not your writ petition. You are respondent there.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
writ
I'm the
petitioner.
respondent. I'm the petitioner. madam. I'm advocate for the petitioner. madam. There is
But
nothing.
during the pendency, if anything occurs here,
He will
yes,
appear before the hearing.
till disposal of the writ petition, this may be stayed because two parallel hearing, Lordship, it cannot be.
We'll see, but we are not inclined. You are not a petitioner here.
No, otherwise I want, Lordship, I early did for the disposal of the writ petition.
No, we'll see. Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, Lordship, I have filed.
Today in the morning, we have.
You
received-
appear, there may be,
No.
there's an allegation against you in the writ petition. The authorities made like the,
Yes.
you are a principal.
Yes, Lordship, in charge principal.
Your director has, your authority has called you for hearing.
Yes, but the subject matter is the writ petition, Lordship.
It doesn't, we're not passing any, we're not dismiss,
two
We're
parallel.
not dismissing your IA, but you go and appear. Because allegation is against you. There's no bar, I mean, to
But the policy
Here,
says,
here you go and be.
no, that
attend
is,
them.
that is true, but the policy is that it may cause multiplicity of.
We'll see, we'll
proceedings.
see. We'll keep it pending. Huh? Otherwise, I'll dismiss the writ petition. I mean, yeah.
Writ petition, lordship, it has to be dismissed, definitely.
Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes. Lordship.
Today only in the morning we
No,
have.
they have perhaps received it, but on,
Heard, mister?
Morning or Paiswa, the affidavit comes.
In IA, huh? No, we'll say, heard MSK Devi, Land Council for the petitioners. And,
File number came on.
in
Mr.
IA, I am the petitioner.
no, it's okay. We'll just keep it pending,
Yes.
because I'm not inclined to pass. Because you go there, your authority, I would like to rather help you.
3, 5, 8.
Why we're making
Because he is also
more,
government employee.
why you are making more wiser to
Ah.
Miss Debbie?
Well, he
Don't
is
make her
same
more wiser.
quality because he is also government employee. And
The-
the part of
the-
the education department, he is
But
the
in-
principal of this
Very-
college, my lord.
The,
But
the,
wrong, my
Mr.
lord, passing this on.
no, no,
to
the
the
very,
for the-
very letter.
I said
Nothing wrong.
for the petitioners,
Still है wrong बोलते.
Mr. Tavildar,
That's-
Learner Standing Council, Education,
Higher division.
Higher education.
Education Department. Press foreign is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Mr. Datta,
Yes, doctor.
you Datta, Learner Council, for the respondent number
6 in
six.
the writ petition,
6 and 7,
6 only.
6.
7 is a private respondent. He till yet not come.
No,
Respondent number 6. Comments that he has already filed.
7 only probably have used.
The affidavit of opposition on behalf of respondent number 6.
already.
You have
filed.
already filed.
Yes, yes.
File in the morning.
No, it was filed on last
Uh,
Friday.
তো হয় আজি পাইছো মই।
Received copy, it was filed Friday.
Yeah, how
As
come?
agreed to by
Did our
conference
minister?
call, list this matter after 2 weeks. Huh? Okay.
Yes, my lord, yes.
Good.
In IA, you just heard Mr. Yu Datta Land Council Board applicant and so, or opposite party. Huh? This along with WPC.
Obliged.
Not along with, this will be always with the, this after 2 weeks. I'm not passing any order.
So in a petition, lordship, I am praying for a date, lordship. Otherwise it will-
After 2 weeks.
No, my
Let
lord,
it-
after 3 weeks,
let-
I would
let-
like to file reply, my lord.
Yes, no, after 3.
After 3 weeks, my lord. He also filed.
Then we'll say the 2 weeks,
No, today lordship
or
has
2
passed. all
weeks,
process.
within 2 weeks. you will just-
3 weeks, he wants 2 weeks.
We'll say 2 weeks. There
Lordship has already been passed 3 weeks in all cases
Learned
since morning.
council with the parties, the petitioners
Weeks. should
may
time.
file the reply in affidavit in reply
Necessary pleadings. lordship.
within
Excellent.
next within 1 week thereafter, huh? This after 3 weeks.
Yes.
Obliged.
I'll
You file within 2 weeks, so
Yes, yes.
file.
Mhm.
Obliged.
In this case, my lord, we had taken steps on the very day, my lord, this order was passed, my lord, 27/6, my lord. But the office note says this is not as per Honorable High Court's order. I don't know what is wrong with that. We will make a verification and my lord, it is a needful, my lord.
In view of the order dated 6/11/2020, in view of the office note dated 6/11/2020, the Learned Council or the petitioner is to verify
Lordship,
with the,
Lordship, while verifying our case records, Lordship, I have seen that this Borpatara Municipal Board is implemented here as respondent. So I being the standing council, Lordship, so I'm entering appearance, but I have not received any vakalatnama because the concerned respondents have not received any notice from this.
and 7.
No, Lordship, I am appearing for
4, I guess.
4 and 5, and 7 is the same person as 4, Lordship.
No,
By name, he has been implemented as
My
party.
learned friend accepts, well, I'll give the copies, no issue.
All 4 to
So they
7.
have 4, yes, 4 and 5, Lordship.
No, 4 to 7, whatever 6.
No, no, 6 is the.
The private
someone
response,
else,
6 is
Lordship.
private response.
Okay.
Actually,
Four
Lordship,
and seven, I'll sum.
Lordship, Lordship, they have not received any notice from this honorable court, Lordship. Today morning only I have just informed them, so they asked me to appear, Lordship.
Okay, anyway.
That's
Then
what the
in
office note says.
heard
It's not
Mr.
been
M. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS so-and-so learned counsel enters appearance on behalf of respondent port 2,
4, 5, and 7, Lordship.
4, 5, and 7. Next one, in view of the order, office note that is 06/11/2025. In respect of the number 6, then counsel for the petitioner to verify. And then no, to take steps.
No, steps are only there, my lord. We have to verify, my lord.
Oh, no,
It's kept in the file.
to take steps. To avail appropriate steps with the registry.
Right.
This after 4.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Okay, my lord.